chart, right? You as a trader, you look at the chart, right? You need a good charting system. So in a chart, it's not just a chart, okay? The chart must give you proper indicator and signals. Yeah, most important is the chart giving you signals where you can decide whether to enter or exit, right? To buy or sell, right? So that's why we have developed this system, okay, this charting system to use in TradingView, right? To help traders to trade better, right? Not only to make profit, but to avoid entering the wrong trade. Yeah, especially some trades are risky trades, some are losing trades. Yeah? So we can avoid that. Yeah, risk management. Okay, so without further ado, I will start right now. Okay, so welcome everyone. We start now. We're just starting, right? So start now, right? Okay, first thing first is the disclaimer, right? Whatever I present here is not a call to buy, sell, or hold anything, right? Any stock or anything. So whatever I present here is just for education purpose. Yeah, even the stock chart, those signals, you got to make your own decision to buy or sell something. All right, you got to make a decision. That's why the chart is there for you to do your own analysis. So I will provide you with the guidance or training, all this thing. I also give free technical analysis course for those who want to trade, okay, and train how to use this charting system. Okay, let's start. So the whole system is called BMS. BMS is Bull Momentum System. Okay, so this system is Bull Momentum System. Is the whole system is I designed the system. Okay, I program the indicators. I program the algorithm into the charting systems. Yeah, so all these indicators are basically advanced indicators. They are modified. They are tuned to the algorithm to give the best signals, right? To give the high probability to trade in the stock market. Yeah, so we are focused on the KL stock market, right? So we can also use to trade other things. Okay, so it's a simple and easy to use chart system, right? They are indicators. Yeah. Okay, so basically I trade the stock market using this chart and I also program it. So I'm a trader and a programmer at the same time. Right. So whatever you see on the chart is can be changed, can be modified. Yeah, can be programmed. Okay, so I can program it. Okay. So with bull and bear signals, bull is bullish when you want to buy. Bear is the bearish signals when you want to exit, to sell. Okay, it's easy to use. Yeah. Use this to trade KL stock market. Any market also can. Yeah, it works on all markets. Yeah. As long as the candles, the price move up and down the chart. Okay, we use this to do swing trade. Yeah, so we are more focused on swing trade. Okay, and also day trade. Yeah, we have another set of indicators to do day trading. And also some people are long-term investing. Even if you are a value investor, you invest for long-term. Okay, in the stock market, you can also use the charting system to see the trend, to follow the trend. Okay, follow the technical indicators trend to know where is your position and how long would you like to hold in that particular stock. Okay, and it's for beginners, right? For beginners, it's easy to hands-on with these charts. It's easy. The indicators come with colors and signals like that. Okay, and we also train you how to use it. Yeah, for first-time user and also experienced user traders. If you are a very experienced trader, a technical trader, you will find that this charting system will boost your trading, will help you along your trades, right? If you use those traditional charts, it doesn't give you signals, right? Later you will see what are the signals that provide you in your trading. Yeah, and of course all this is subscription based. Right? You need to subscribe to use the system, the indicators. Yeah, okay. So again, I mentioned I provide free training. All right, as long as you are a member in my Telegram group. I provide free training and technical analysis course, right, to help those who are beginners. All right. So after I train you, you can better hands-on in the trading. Yeah. Okay. So now this webinar is about indicators and also some sort of training. And later we'll do some chart review. Okay. So let's move on. So to use this BMS indicators, right? The basic requirement is TradingView. Okay. The minimum basic requirement you must have is a basic account. Okay, this TradingView basic is free. All right, it's free. Yeah, you can just register to TradingView, open account for free. Okay, now the free account only gives you a maximum of 3 indicators. You can just add 3 indicators, right? It's not enough, right? Sometimes because my BMS system got 5 indicators. Yeah, so you need to switch in between what indicators you want to use. But now I make it 3 indicators is already sufficient now. All right, and the limitation is 15 minutes delay. Yeah, so it's not not advisable to use the basic to do day trading if you have a 15 minutes delay time frame. Okay, so if you have a basic trading view, all right, a free version, you can have 3 indicators. Even though it's 15 minutes delay, we have this live chart in the chart library. You can always request as a member, you can request for a live chart. Okay, I will give you a live chart link in the chart library. So when you click on the link in the Telegram chat library, all right, you will see the chart in view only mode. But the view only mode is also real time, right? The market is moving. Yeah, when you're trading in an open market and the market is live trading, you can see the chart is moving, right? So you can basically I share my chart onto the chart library. Yeah, so you can save costs, right? Now for those who already have TradingView Pro, right, you have registered for 1 year. Okay, you can just subscribe and use the indicators, right? You can add all the indicators into your chart and you can have live chart. Okay, you can subscribe to TradingView live chart, real-time data, USD 1 per month. Okay, so it's a very low price, not very cheap money, right? Then you can live trading chart and you can do day trading. Okay, those who haven't subscribed, yeah, you want to subscribe to Pro, you can also request from me. I can send you the link. Okay, so you can subscribe through me. All right, I can help you to give you the link. Then you can subscribe to me. Then better, all right. You get some benefit from there, all right. Okay, let's move on. Okay, the BMS indicators, there are a total of 15 indicators. Okay, a total of 15x, 15 indicators that I combine. All right, I'll combine all the 15 indicators with a different algorithm and different purpose. I add it into 5 indicators. Okay, I combine everything and make it into 5 indicators so it can fit into your TradingView Pro. And you can also use 3 indicators in your TradingView Basic. It's already good enough, right? You use 3 indicators in your view Basic, right? TV Basic is already good enough. You can trade. Okay, so I'm also using 3, right? I'm testing out using 3 is also good enough. Yeah. So these are all the indicators that's being combined into the TradingView. So we have the dynamic EMA. This is for trend analysis. The EMA. So I will go through one by one to explain all these indicators. Okay. Then we have the smart power signals. These are triggers. Okay. We have the rocket trend, smart candle, smart hack, bull bear dynamic signal. All these. Yeah. These are triggers, entry and exit triggers. Okay. We have the MCDX Pro. This is to see the banker, hot money, and retailer. Yeah. This is the one of the indicator. We also have SMI Pro. This is to see the swing moving average, to see the overbought, oversold condition, to see divergence, and VR, volume ratio. Right? Some people like to do BTSD, FIFO, this kind of thing. They look at this. We also can see the momentum compression, yeah, MC Pro, and the MACD. And this is to measure the momentum of the price action. Okay. We also have the volume profile. Right, this is the volume based on price levels. Okay, volume profile, and handy info. This is a technical analyzer. Yeah, later you'll see what is this. Okay. Okay, so the chart looks like this. You can set to black color and you can set to white color. So it works on both theme. Yeah, some people prefer a dark color. Dark color theme is more comfortable to the eyes, and the default is white color, white background. All right. So the color works well on the both colors. Both teams. Okay, so let's move into swing trading. What is swing trading? So the purpose of as a trader, all right, we are a short-term to a mid-term trader. Right, as a trader, we want to buy low and sell high. That's the most basic concept. All right, everybody knows. Right, you want to make money in the Malaysian stock market. The only way to make money in the stock market is to buy low and sell high. All right, very simple concept. Everybody knows it's very simple. But the problem is a lot of people, they buy high and sell low, right? Most of the time when they enter a trade, the stock drop, right? When you buy, the price drop, right? When it drops, you got to exit, you got to stop loss. So a lot of stop loss, yeah? Stop loss, and there's no profit, okay? And some people just hold and blow up the account, right? So such a simple thing, how can we make it accurate to make our entry low risk and profitable, right? So we need to have signals, signals to guide us when to in and out, okay? So most simple thing is we want to do swing trading. As a swing trader, we want to look for a best position to enter, all right? A high probability position that if the price can move up in just one swing, okay? So as we like enter here, there's a signal. This is an example, like this candle, there's a green candle, right? It gives us a signal to enter, and then we hold on for 1 week, all right, a few days or 1 week until you see an exit signal, then we take profit. It's simple as that, right? Buy, enter, and then take profit. Then we cash this one whole swing. As the price already swing up, we take profit, okay? We want to take profit before it drops, right? It pull back, right? We call it a pullback. Okay, as we know, price action never goes up in a straight line. Okay, you always have some wave, some pullbacks. Okay, so let me explain about some technical analysis, some price action trading. Yeah, so we talk about price action trading. Okay, price action trading, you know, first understand the trend. Okay, the trend is the market structure. Okay, in trading, yeah. So when we talk about trading, we want to look at the charts, technical chart. We need to have a chart setup, right? A good chart setup to have a high probability entries. Yeah? So we are not an investor, okay? We are not those long-term investor. We don't always look at fundamentals. Yeah. Although sometimes we look at fundamentals to gauge the stock whether it's high risk or low risk. All right. If we want to buy a stock that has no fundamentals, we know this is a losing company, is loss-making company, right? There's no profit, right? There's no fundamentals at all, right? And then we still want to trade, that is a high risk trade. That means we want to go for a short-term trade. A short-term trade is a goring, right? We say goring stock. Goring is just short-term. We make a few bits, we make a 1-2 days profit, we just get out, right? Before it drop. Okay, so that's called goring stock. Goring stock, basically you just buy and sell any stock without looking at fundamentals. Yeah. So if you are more on mid-term to long-term investing, you need to look at the fundamentals. All right. With fundamentals, after you know that this is a good company, a good stock that you want to invest, then you can use the technical chart to trade. Okay. So the trend or market structure is we have the uptrend. Okay. We have the sideways and we have the downtrend. Okay. So this is the basic price action, must understand the trend. So in an uptrend, okay, when we look at the uptrend stock, we will see the price move up. Okay, when we see the price move up, this is called a wave out, impulsive move, right? Now when you see a price move up like this, we won't buy first, okay? We won't straight away enter, right? Because it already moved up high. Okay, we want to wait for a pullback, okay? So the first drop like this is called a pullback, okay? This is a rebound or impulsive move, yeah? Okay, so the stock price will move up, right? Rally up, rebound, and then the stock price will pull back. It will show pull back, right? Why the share price pull back is because people take profit. Okay, people wants to take profit. Okay, people take profit. When people take profit, the price will drop. If it's just a mild profit, taking, it will drop until a point where the price will start to rebound. Okay. When the price starts to rebound, this one we call the support. Okay, there's a support here. Okay, when it drops, there is a resistance here. When the price hit a resistance, it will drop. Okay, right? It will pull back. Okay, so we want to capture this support level. Okay, we want to see some signals, right? Some signals to enter so that it is safe to enter and ensure that it will rebound. Right? When it finds support rebound, it will even rebound higher. All right? When it rebound higher, okay, the price move higher, okay, break out from this previous resistance, right? This previous high, okay. So there's a breakout here, right? There's a breakout. The breakout here is called a resistance breakout, okay. The price breakout from a resistance, a previous resistance that's referring to here, right? This previous high, and then it breaks out. Okay, once the price break out, it may continue to move up or it will pull back. Okay, it will pull back again. People will try to take profit again. They won't stay long. All right, people who are traders in the stock market, they won't stay long. As long as the price break out, they will quickly take profit. Okay, they will take profit and create another resistance point, and it will retest support. Right, it need to retest support. Okay, the price must break out and pull back to retest support. See whether this area of a previous resistance becomes support, able to support or not. Right, if it's able to support, it will rebound again. All right. Now, if the retest fail, is unable to support, it will break down. Okay, it will break down. That's why we need to put a stop loss here. Whenever we enter a pullback, a buy on dip, yeah, we call this a BOD, buy on dips. Okay, we must first thing when we enter a stock trade, first risk management is stop loss. Okay, if the price retests the support and break down, it doesn't hold, we must stop loss. We must trigger our exit. Right, a stop loss. We will never want to hold in this position. All right, because we never know when it breaks the retest support area, it will drop. How deep it will drop, we never know. It could be a bottomless, or altogether it will become a downtrend. Anything can happen. Right, so we have a stop loss here. And when the price already rebound, move up, then we will take profit here. Okay, I teach this risk management as a 1R and 2R thing. Right, it's a discipline. And we take profit before the price pull back again. Okay, so we capture another swing here. Okay, so as a trader, we try to our best to enter all these dips, all this pullback rebound to capture all this swing. All right, this thing is called swing trading. All right, this is the concept of swing trading. Yeah. Okay, so swing trading, we look at the daily time frame. Daily time frame. Look at the candlesticks on the daily time frame. Yeah. Okay, so it's very different from day trading. All right, day trading are people who trade a few minutes or few hours within a day. All right, they just buy and sell within a day. Right, we look at the lower time frame like 5 to 15 minutes. This kind of time frame. Okay, that means the stop loss and take profit. All right, this kind of a thing happen within the same day, the 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Got to make the decision. That's a day trading. All right, so day traders the purpose is to make daily income, some small profits, then okay, just take. It's to be safe, right? We don't want to hold any position overnight, yeah? So it's very different from swing trading. Swing trading, you need to hold your position for a few days or a few weeks, okay? So we can have two approach, right? To approach, our indicators can also work with these two type of approach. Whether you are a swing trader or you're a day trader, it works, right? It is there for you. The indicators work for these two type of trading style. All right, so we look at the indicators. How can these indicators help us in our swing trading and day trading? Yeah. Chai, all right. So you can see the message, the chat in the message. So Chai is our member. He's been using the indicators. So you want to know more how he's been trading using the indicators, right? You can find out from him. Right, so he's very experienced and he's been trading with the indicators. Yeah. Okay, so as I explained just now, you want to capture a swing. This is called swing trading. Yeah, we capture a swing, we got profit, and then we get out. All right, that's how we make profit in the stock market. And if we do this consistently, all right, we can do this consistently. Yeah, every time, every day we enter a trade like this consistently, we make profit. All right, we make profit in the long term. Right, consistently. We want to achieve consistent results. Yeah, but our results must be consistent. So we keep track. We keep track of every trade. All right, every buy and sell we keep track. So make sure we are profitable. That's a balance sheet, profit and loss. Right? We don't say we always make profit. Sometimes we still have to stop loss. Right? Sometimes if we enter a trade and the sentiment is not that good, it's a bear market. All right, the price goes against us. Yeah, something goes wrong in the trade and we still have to stop loss. All right. So there's nothing going to guarantee or work all the time. So the risk management is very important, okay? So we still need to stop loss. Yeah? And as long as our wins, our profit is more than our losses, then we are profitable, okay? Okay, let's look at the first signal, right? What kind of signal that it provides in the chart, right? I call it a rocket trend. These are things that I give it a name. Yeah, I coined the name called rocket trend because that's the rocket. There are rocket symbols in the chart, right? As you can see clearly, there are rocket symbols in the chart. Okay, all right, let's zoom in. All right, so this rocket, I put it into the chart, right? I programmed the algorithm and then I put it into the chart so you can see rocket. Yeah, rocket symbolize power, right? It can launch up, right? The price can launch up like a rocket, right? So this rocket indicator, as you can see, is a signal. All right, it tells you this is the position where you can enter a trade. You can put a buy order here. Okay, as you can see the rocket here, once the buy order trigger here, you can just hold, and then the price keep on moving up, right? Swing up. Okay, as the price move up, right, it needs to reach a top, a resistance. That's this one, a purple triangle. All right, this is one top, and then it will pull back. This is a longer term, longer trend. As you can see, the rocket is here, and the purple triangle is here. So we can say that this is the bottom. The price had dropped to the bottom, right? The bottom. This is like a people call bottom catch. You catch the price bottom. When the price drop until it reached the bottom, it must rebound, right? It reached the bottom, it's like you hit the bottom floor, it must rebound, right? This is where you want to catch the rebound point. Once we see this and then we enter and then rebound, we already profitable, right? We already make profit like that. And the price will move up in a zigzag pattern, right? It will move up, pull back, move up, pull back, all right? Wave up, wave down, yeah? It has a lot of pullback, right? But the pullback didn't come back to this point, to the rocket, because the rocket is pushing up with the support of this bull signal, right? This green line as a supporting line, right? This green line is supporting the rocket price to move up, okay? So as it moves up until it reached the top where it cannot move further up, it hit a resistance, right? This is a top resistance. There must be a top, okay? You can say the rocket already landed on the moon. That's where it stopped, right? You can take this as an example. So as you see, this purple triangle tells us that the top, it hit the resistance, it must come down, right? This is the time that it must come down. This is a pullback, okay? When it pull back, it will come back to another rocket. It will find back the rocket to rebound back, all right? Okay, so this is how it works, okay? So we can see a rocket and then a triangle, price pullback and then rocket, price shoot up and then a triangle, and then price pullback and then another rocket. So it's like a network of lines. They are connected. It's like a relationship. They are connected. They need to look for each other, right? Whenever you see rocket, the rocket will launch up. All right, it will launch up and then it will try to find the triangle until it reach the triangle. Then it will do a major reversal. Yeah, it will U-turn. It will reverse back down. Okay, this is how it works, right? Yeah, Wing Kui. Just after bear some move up, but we went in buy and it goes further down. How to see a real rocket? Now the rocket is like this. Okay, let me explain. The rocket, all right. Actually, the rocket is dynamic, all right. When the price coming down, the rocket will find the best. Will try to retest the support. Okay, the rocket will try to retest the support. All right. If the support is not good, then it will move further down. It will move further down, right? It's a dynamic rocket. It tries to find the best support. If it cannot support, then it will move down. It will move down, right? Until the rocket stop moving. When the rocket stop moving, it doesn't move. It will confirm the position. Now, how to confirm that the rocket found support, that it doesn't move anymore, it doesn't drop, right? It will follow by other signals like this bull signal, this green thing here. This green thing will appear. All right, when this green thing appear and the line start to move up, this is to confirm that the rocket has already found support. It confirmed this position. All right, once the rocket confirmed its position, it doesn't move anymore, the price will start moving up, will start to rally up. Okay, it's very powerful. When the rocket stop moving and with the bull signal appear here, it will start moving up. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, so along the way, you will see all these small triangle, right? Okay, you will see all this small triangle, yeah. Now this small little triangle pointing downwards, all right, all this small little red triangle, it means this is a pullback. It's just a minor pullback, okay? So we know the price doesn't all move up in a straight line. There will be places, areas where on an uptrend, it will pull back, okay? It's just a minor pullback. We call it a small pullback, a mild profit taking. So it's nothing to worry. It's just a small pullback, and then it will start to rebound again. And then some pullback, or some consolidation, right? Or we call it a bull rest. The bull needs to rest. Yeah? As you see the bull moving up the trend, the uptrend, it needs to rest. You will need to find some place to rest first. So after the bull rests enough, then it will continue its journey to go up, all right, to move up the ladder of the price. Yeah. Okay, so you will see some small little triangle here. Okay. There are also some bear signal. Yeah, you see a bear here. Okay, bear. A red label with a bear, and then the red line comes out. Okay, this could signify quite a middle term or strong reversal. It could be a downtrend reversal, this kind of thing. Okay. Then you see the red line, whether the red lines keep pushing down or go into flat sideways. As you can see this example, this red line here is flat, okay? The flat line represents the resistance. The resistance is flat, okay? It's flat. And the price is making higher lows and higher highs here like that. It's grinding up, okay? So as you grind up like that, okay? You can see in technical analysis, this is called ascending triangle. Yeah, the purple triangle is also dynamic, okay? It's also keep moving up, okay? All this red triangle will not move, it will stay here, right? The small triangle will stay here, they are static. Only the rocket and the purple triangle is dynamic, it keeps moving up until it stops moving, all right? Okay, until it stops moving, and then there's another signal, the bear signal comes up to show that this is a resistance, yeah? Okay, so you see there's a triangle here, already stopped moving, and then a red triangle, and a bear label came out here, all right, to signify that this area is a strong resistance, so the price must come down, must pull back, okay? And you see the red line is coming down, right, coming down like that. It shows you that the price is confirmed moving down. So you know that this area must exit. You cannot hold anymore, right? This is where you should take profit and exit the trade, right? It's already confirmed, right? So there must be confirmation point when you will stop moving, right? With all this, yeah? So the rocket confirm position with the bull signal, with this bull label here, okay? This bull label, all right, green label here. So I say confirmation, yeah? So the rocket confirm its position support with this label as confirmation, then the price move up, all right? This, as it move up, you see the green line keep on increasing. So this is the bull trend support line. As the green lines are moving up like that, it creates a supporting line. It's like a moving average. It supports the price until it reach a red bear, and then it's consolidate a bit, and then break out, move up high, and then hit the resistance, and then pull back, right? And then it hit a rocket again. Rocket, you see a green triangle and a bull label. These are all confirmation, right? And then the price start moving up. As the price start moving up with all this confirmation, it confirmed this rocket position. So the rocket won't move, all right? The rocket will stay here, all right? Because it already has confirmation, right? Then the price will move up until it reach the top, right? Before it reach the top, you see some red triangle. This kind of thing already give you some early signal, right? The price trying to, the signal is trying to detect some selling pressure, right? Some overbought position, yeah? So when it's trying to detect some selling pressure and overbought, it will come out a small triangle first, all right? Until it come out a big purple triangle is to confirm this is really a selling pressure area, a resistance area, all right? Once it confirm, you see the price drop and then rebound a bit, and then the bear signal come up. This really confirm this area is resistant at the top. So you don't enter a trade when you see a purple arrow, okay? All right, you just want to wait, all right? When you see a purple triangle or bear signal like that, don't enter this trade, just wait, okay? Wait for the price to drop, okay? Wait for the price to drop until it find a rocket appear. When a rocket appear, then you just keep monitoring this area. You see whether the rocket stop moving, and is there any signal to support, any triangle or any bull label to support the position. Then only you can enter. All right, at least you were able to capture some swings there. All right. So the cycle will continue like this: rocket, purple triangle, rocket, purple triangle, up and down, up and down. It will complete the cycle like this. Okay. Okay, Trayvon, all right. Yes, the algorithm, I changed the algorithm because the first algorithm is too sensitive. Yeah. All right. If the algorithm is too sensitive, the raw rockets will appear. It won't be accurate. Okay. So to try to make it accurate, I need to filter out the false signals. Yeah. All right. Not all signals are true. Okay. So I need to make the algorithm to be smart enough to filter out all the noise. All right, there are a lot of noise and false signals. Yeah, okay. So it works better, right? This way, all right. Okay. Later I see Pekka. You say Pekka, there's no rocket. Let me see. Okay, let's see. There's one member who requests. Now there's a rocket in Pekka here. Okay. So where you see this stock called Pekka. Okay. So Pekka, we can see a rocket. Okay. So the triangle, right? There is a purple triangle. And then the price drop, and then we see rocket. There's a bear signal also to confirm this area is a bearish, all right? It's bearish. It's not downtrend yet, but it's bearish. The price pull back, okay? Now there's a rocket appear here. There's a support here, okay? But we cannot really confirm if this area is a support, all right? Maybe the rocket will move further down. It could move further down. It's because it's still testing the support area. It's a dynamic, all right? Until you see a small green triangle, or you see a green label is bull, right? To confirm that the rocket already stopped moving and it start to rebound back, right? When there's confirmation, then the price will start to rebound back up like this, okay? So at the moment, the price is still pull back, okay? That's a rocket to tell to monitor this area, all right? Take note of this area. Anytime there's confirmation signal here, you can enter, all right? Rocket weight, yeah. So there's this is a handy info. You can see rocket weight, okay? The handy info here tells you to wait, okay? Doesn't mean you see a rocket straight away enter, right? It doesn't mean like that, So you don't see rocket buy, it's not like that. A rocket is to tell you to take note, okay? Take extra note in this area. Anytime, anything can happen here. It can rebound on it. It's just that you need some extra confirmation, all right? It's a green triangle. A small green triangle is also a confirmation, all right? But the strongest confirmation is you see a few green triangle or a bull signal, a bull label appear, okay? There must be a bull label appear to confirm the uptrend, right? The bull label appear is to confirm the uptrend, okay? Then the handy info here will say rocket fire. It will change the information here, all right? This is a smart handy info, right? It's like your car. You drive the car, then you must know what's the condition of the car, whether got petrol or not, all right? So this is like a panel for you to know, right, what's going on with this stock here, okay? All right, so it's easy to use. You see rocket, then you take note, all right? I'm sure you have some stocks that you keep watching every day. You have your watch list, all right? You have your portfolio, all these things, okay? So you see rocket, you take note. Okay, rocket appear, then you take note. When market open, you see the candle is bullish or not. Okay, right? You take note if there's any confirmation signal. Yeah, that's how we trade. Yeah, using the rocket signal. Okay, so rocket signal is a very powerful signal indicator because the rocket will, once it confirm position, will move up. Okay, the price will move uptrend, and it will try to find the purple triangle. All right. Once it found the purple triangle and the purple triangle confirmed position stop moving, then the price will drop. It will confirm drop. Okay. Once the purple triangle stop moving with a bear signal, okay, again, you see rocket here, rocket move up, confirm move up, okay, until it reach the purple triangle, it will stop. Okay, the purple triangle stop, and then there's a bear signal here. This bear label, yeah. So the bear label appear is to confirm the purple triangle. Okay, is to confirm this this small little red thing also confirm. All right, this one plus this one plus this one. Okay, so there are already 1, 2, 3, 3 signals here to confirm this area is a resistance, a top resistance. Okay, once the price reach the top resistance, it can no longer move up. It will sure drop. Confirm it will drop. All right. Okay, so YC for Pekka, this time you see rocket, you wait. Okay, it says rocket wait, you wait. Yeah. Okay, you wait until the rocket stop moving. Okay. Okay. So you wait for the rocket stop moving until there's a confirmation signal. It could be a small triangle, a green triangle, or a bull label. Okay. What's the next step? Okay. When something appear, a bull signal appear after the rocket. Again, when you see rocket, and then there's a bull signal appear after the rocket, that is to confirm that this rocket position is a support, is a strong support. Then price will move up. Okay, it's as simple as that. You just need confirmation only. All right. Once confirmed, the price will sure move up because this area is a support and is an oversold area. When an area is oversold, the price can no longer move down. It must move up because there are no longer sellers. There must be buyers, all right? So it will move up. This is the logic, all right? Why rocket appear, confirm, then the price must move up because of oversold position, all right? The sellers already harvest. No more sellers, the price must go up because people start buying, all right? That's the logic behind it, why the price must move up, okay? Until you reach the top is overbought. This is the overbought area resistance. When the price is overbought, there's no more buyers. Only sellers are waiting here, the sellers. So the logic is if overbought, what will happen? Will sure drop. Why sure drop? Because the sellers start to sell. This is the reason why the price drop. Okay. So there must be a bottom and top area, the maximum low and the maximum high area, the lows and the highs. All right, we want to catch the lows and the high. This is really called buy low and sell high. This is the concept. We want to buy low and sell high. To buy low and sell high, you want to know the low. Where is the low? Right, this is the low. The rocket will tell that this is the low. So you buy low and you sell high. This is the high. That is the concept or logic behind this rocket and purple triangle thing. Okay, we are trying to catch the bottoms and the tops, buy low and sell high, buy low and sell. That's simple as that. Okay, so with this signal, it's easy for us as a trader really know where to buy low and sell high. We don't have to guess whether this can or not, whether the support or not. Look at the indicators, all this really burning, scratch your head. All right, if you go through technical analysis course, price action course, all this, they tell you to use the EMA, moving area support, the RSI, all this analyze all very long time. It take a long time, right, to draw the support resistance line, to see the pattern. Is it ascending triangle, descending triangle, cup and handle formation, all these things, before you can determine if it's bullish or bearish. All right, it wastes a lot of time. Okay, so with this signal system is very fast. I can just look at the chart in just give me 1 minute. I can know whether it's bullish or bearish, uptrend or downtrend. I can enter or exit. Whether it's bottom or top, you can see. All right, the signal is already there. Right, it's very fast. Okay. Yeah, you can also based on the REMA line, banker, all these are just short-term kind of signals. Yeah, as the price move up, move down, they will have generate a lot of signals. Okay, what we want to do here is to capture the bottom and the top. Okay, the purpose of the rocket and the purple triangle is to catch the bottom and the top. Okay, we don't care the banker, the MACD, the REMA, RCMA, that one is later. That one is later part. When the price moving up and down in the middle part, then we will only use the REMA, ribbon, all these things to entry and exit again, to do some day trade, this kind of thing. All right. But before that, we want to know where is the bottom and where is the top. Okay, like this, we can see that this is the trend. All right. Okay, so the first thing we want to look for when we enter a trade is to see the rocket. Where's the rocket? Okay, to find the rocket first. Yeah. Okay, so very simple indicator. Rocket and purple triangle is a dynamic indicator, right? It is dynamic because it's moving. Yeah, the thing is moving, but it won't stop moving when there's a confirmation. Yeah, right? It's as simple as that. Janet, okay, how to interpret QES? Yes, a purple triangle, but then no bear, then the price go down and go up. Okay, QES is like this, yeah, different thing, yeah. Let's move to this stock, okay, QES. Okay, this QES is one look we can see it's on uptrend, okay? There's a rocket here. The price move up, and then there's a purple triangle, okay? And then what happened after this purple triangle? The price move down, pull back, okay? Pull back to this here area. Pull back, okay? And last Friday we see a green candle. This is a smart candle signal. It signals this is a bullish entry. Okay. And the price break out, okay? It break out. Why it break out? All right. You can draw a line here. Now it's not really break out yet. Okay. It's not really break out. This line, this is a resistance here. The candle is just touching this line, 930, touching this previous high. Trying to retest this area whether it can break out or not. Okay, see whether this area it can break out or not. Now, if this candle for next week able to break out, move further up, all right, break out this purple triangle, then we say it's a breakout high, it's an all-time high. It can break out this resistance. Okay, the price is strong enough, then it break out. Wing Kui Cheng, huh? So far it's just okay, rocket and bear. Oh, so far there's no auto buy, all right? We don't have robot buy and sell yet, yeah? Okay, this robot algorithm, robot buy and sell is auto buy and sell is only available in those crypto and FX forex, but they are only provided by those unregulated brokers. Okay, those brokers don't know come from where. They'll promise you the sky, all this thing. But the system actually is not real one. The profit report is not real one. Okay, as far as I know, all right. Okay. So if you want to say all this auto trading, robot trading, the first people who do will be TradingView. If they really want to implement it, TradingView, M+, Interactive Brokers, right? TD Ameritrade, Tiger Brokers, all these are the big brokers. They are the first one who will implement it. All right, not all these unregulated brokers. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So the price is trying to break out. Now, if the price is able to break out higher than this purple triangle, then you can say that it's really a breakout. All right, a breakout, a successful breakout. Right. Now, at the moment, we don't enter first. All right, because there's no other confirmation signal. There's no rocket. There's nothing. So in this trade, QES, okay, in this position is a risky trade. Okay. If we need confirmation whether can break out and pull back and support or not. This area is very crucial because it's at the high. We don't want to chase high. All right, anything can happen in this area. Jenny Lau. Okay, TradingView you don't need to download. Okay, now TradingView you only want to download if you want to use the desktop version. All right, if you have Google Chrome, you can just go to tradingview.com and then open an account and you can straight away use. It's a web-based charting system. Okay, you don't need to download anything. Yeah, but I have both lah. I have the desktop version, I have the web-based version, and I have the mobile phone Android version. So I use 3 versions. Yeah, so 3 versions for different purposes. Okay. The best one is of course the desktop version. Desktop version is better. It's very fast. I find it works faster. So okay, to answer this QES, this area we won't buy, we won't enter first. Okay, because we need to know if able to break out or not. This is a resistance area. If not able to break out this purple triangle, then it will pull back. Okay, it will drop. Yeah. So we see this kind of thing, we don't buy. We will be buying at the high. Okay, we are not buying low and sell high. We are just buying the high, buy on the breakout. It's very risky to buy on the breakout. What if the failed breakout and then the price start to drop? Okay, so it's not a good position to enter here, right? This is I can say this is a high risk position. You don't know how high QS can go. All right, it could be too high. It could be overvalued. All right, in a value investing, this area could be overvalued. All right, then it must drop. Right, there's no margin of safety for you to enter here. It's quite risky. Yeah, there's no support. Okay, so you always want to look at the lows with the support, then only you buy, you enter. Okay, if there's no lows, if there's no support, somewhere in the middle, nowhere, then you won't buy. All right, if we cannot convince ourselves, there's no confirmation, it's too risky. Right, where's the risk reward? All right, your risk reward, where's your risk reward ratio? Then don't enter. Right, you must measure your risk and your reward before you enter. Okay, all right, wait for more confirmation signal first. All right. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, I finished the rocket signal. Then we move on to other signals, right? Because the PMS chart system not only got one signal, right? It's not just one algorithm. I put in different algorithm into the chart, all right? So it works best on different situations, okay? When we see this candle, a small little green candle is also a buy signal. It's a bull signal, all right? So we want to look for something small, and green color is a bright green color. Okay, something small like this. Small is beautiful because a small candle is stable. It doesn't it doesn't fluctuate much, and it's not so volatile. It's stable. All right, it could be a harami or hammer type of a candlestick. So it's stable. Then we enter, and then price has a high chance to move up further because it's not overextended. All right. So that's the difference, right? So what a small candle and a long candle, right? So again, we talk about in technical analysis, price action trading, we talk about candlestick pattern. Okay, there are many candlestick pattern: harami, hammer, shooting star, inverted hammer. Okay, morning star, this kind of thing, three white soldiers, this kind of candlestick patterns. Yeah, we want to look for those that are potential one, like a harami. Okay, or hammer, this kind of pattern. Okay, so a small candle is stable, right? Small candle. A small candle is stable. If you enter, the price has more room, okay, more strength to move up. It has more strength to move up, okay. Rather than you go and enter a long candle like this is very attractive. A long candle is like this one is, we call it it can be a maru bozu, okay, or bullish engulfing. This is the name for this long candle. It's a long bullish candle. Now this kind of candle is what I call it overextended. Okay, overextended or too strong. Okay, now there is an indicator to measure this overextended or too strong. There's an indicator called VR, called volume ratio. Okay, volume ratio with a number of 1 to 3 is okay, or how to say average, not so strong. If the VR value is greater than 4, all right, or 4 above, then it's too strong. Okay, high probability that it will pull back. Okay, so this kind of candlestick, okay, this kind of candlestick is too bullish, too strong, so we will expect that it will pull back. The next day you will see it will pull back, and then pull back. Okay, so you won't make a best entry. This kind of long candle is just to get your attention. All right, it's just to capture your attention. Wow, so bullish, I want to buy. All right, it will make you like when you see this kind of candle in the stock market, it will make you like you want to jump in here to buy even at the top. even at the top, you have the urgency, right? The urgency to buy. You don't want to miss out. You will create this kind of a FOMO feeling, fear of missing out. Why people can buy in this candle and then the candle keep moving up and limit up this kind of thing, and why am I not inside? You know, you see how bullish is this candle and why am I not inside? You will create this kind of feeling emotionally. But for us, when we see this kind of candle, we avoid. We won't enter first because we don't want to enter the top. All right, it's too strong, overextended. As we look at the volume ratio, the VR, more than 4, right? 4 above, that is too strong. Then the price will have a high chance that it will drop, it will pull back. Okay. So you want to chase this kind of thing. So we have all these indicators built into the chart to let us know if this is too strong or not. Nicholas, K power. K power is most probably it will pull back. Right? We're going to see where this is a resistance. There's a resistance, okay, then it will pull back. Okay. Now, what happened last Friday, K power, we see rocket, okay, we see rocket, and then a small little triangle confirm price up, all right? Once you see confirm price up, the REMA, all right, REMA green, okay, ribbon still red, never mind, because the REMA is always faster than the ribbon, is a fast signal. And small candle appear here. This is last Friday, yesterday lah. So it is actually testing the resistance, right? This red line. So what is this red line? This red line actually comes from here. Comes from here, this one. After a purple arrow, okay, after a purple triangle, there's a bear label here. A bear. A bear means we are entering a bear zone. A bear zone is a downtrend, all right? You see the red line start to appear, move down, sideways, move down, sideways, move down. What do we see? Another purple arrow. So this red line is creating lower highs. Lower high means the price action is going downtrend. Okay, downtrend will create lower highs and lower lows. Lower highs and lower lows. This is to confirm this market structure is a downtrend. Downtrend is very down. It's bearish. It will go all the way, go down. It won't come up one until there's a trend reversal. A trend reversal requires a lot of strength to break out the resistance and support. Then only you can confirm it's a trend reversal. If not, it will always become a downtrend. Mohammed Mansour. Okay, later. So those who want to know if this stock can hold, can buy, okay, you can ask me later in the webinar, or you can later ask me to join our Telegram group. We do this all the time. Okay, we do chart analysis every day in the Telegram group. You ask me anything, then I will analyze and then I post to you all this kind of thing. All right, that is the members benefit. All right. Okay, come back to here. So this red line came from here at the top and created a downtrend resistance. That is the reason why K power keep on going down on a downtrend mode. All right, it keeps on falling down. All right. Now you don't want to go long or invest in this kind of stock is on a downtrend. It will always go down. You can only do some FIFO, fast in, fast out trade, or counter trend trade. You just counter the downtrend. All right, to make some quick profit. That's it. Okay, you must get out. Enter. All right. The moment you enter and then exit very fast, a few days and then exit like that. Okay, counter trend trade. So what it's trying to do here, even there's a bull signal here, is trying to retest this area of resistance. Okay, now this area again, if it retests fail, it can pull back. It can pull back to here, to this previous support area here. Okay, or if the price able to break out from this red line and then close above this red line, then we can confirm that there is a breakout here. If it is able to break out, then we can see the price will move up here and move up here to this EMA, the EMA 50 and the EMA 200. These are two more resistance. Okay, 2 more resistance it need to pass through before it come back here to become uptrend. Okay. Minghui, okay, the top of the day, Silver DK bought at 86 cents. Okay. Silver DK you bought at 86 cents is as a high side at the moment now, all right? Because if you bought Silver DK at 86 cents, okay, so Silver DK 86 cents is here. This area, this is the area after a gap down. Now, when you see a price gap down, this is the signal here, all right? You don't need to see anything. Yeah, so I'm trying to answer with Johari. Hold on. I'm trying to answer Wing Kui. Wing Kui asked me this Silver DK 86 cents. Okay. Now what happened is you look at Silver DK. Silver DK was going through a sideways consolidation for a long time. Sideways consolidation, all right? And then you see the price gap down here, all right? Straight away from here, gap down. And then the next day, gap down. This already tell you what happened. A gap down like this because EPF throw out. All right, EPF sell off Silver DK, everything. Not everything, this a big sell off, okay? EPF is no longer a substantial shareholder of Silver DK. This is what caused the price gap down. Okay, if you see this kind of thing gap down, don't enter. It's a high risk. Okay, it doesn't mean the price gap down, you will straight away rebound up. No, there's no rebound. The price will continue to go down until it's oversold with the support, or it will move sideways. Okay, hold on. Ilman, okay, hold on. Now those who want to see later, maybe at the end. So I try to answer this. This is interesting, okay, because there's a gap down, all right? Okay, hold on. Now Wing Kui, I try to answer Wing Kui first. Now, even though you don't have my chart, all right, even though you don't have this chart, you use your Maybank or Public Bank or Rakuten or whatever, M+, all right, you still can see the gap down, okay? You still can see, everyone, the whole world can see the gap down, all right? And everyone know the news, EPF sell out, and there's a scandal going on in Silver DK. They are going to sue the KPMG auditor, all this thing. The company is going havoc as a problem, okay? Once you know the news, and then you see whatever chart there's a gap down, you already know there's a warning sign not to go in. This is not the right time to buy Silver DK, okay? I don't know how you buy Silver DK. Listen from other groups or Telegram groups or other seafood out there may recommend Silver DK. That's not the right time, okay? To us as a technical analyst, we see a gap down and hear all this news, we won't enter. It's a high risk thing, okay? But we did enter K Power, okay? For your information, we did enter K Power, SCIB and K Power, okay? For your information, Silver DK, K Power and SCIB is the same. They are just sisters company of the same Muhammad Karim, okay? Now, SCIB and K Power is not so bad. At least there's some light here, you can see, okay? Now, K Power, we do some short-term trade here last week, Thursday, Friday. We see arrow, rocket. We saw the rocket appear at K Power here, and then we prepare ourselves to do some BTSD or FIFO day trade here. Okay, so I have members like Sifu Chai already make profit. Lawrence also, all right? Those who are day trading, they are able to make profit in these two candles like this and exit here. Take enter here and then sell here. Okay. This is already profitable, right? You don't see the everyone knows Sifu Chai, yeah. You don't look at these two candle like see money, take money, okay? These two candle can make a lot of money, right? Can make profit. Just these two candle alone, all right? You BTSD, buy today, sell tomorrow, or you just intraday trade, already profitable, okay? You don't have to hold long or invest long. These two candles is already make you profit. And this last Friday is a small candle, it pull back. We don't enter, we just get out. We don't want to trade this, okay? Because it's just retesting a resistance. We don't know whether it can break out or pull back. We don't know yet, all right? So we wait for next week to see what will happen here. Then we trade again. Yes, you can wait for purple triangle, but it's a long way to go. But because it's just starting to move up here, I'm still waiting for a bull signal, the bull label. Okay, and K power is still related to silver decay. The financial scandal is still going on. That's why I don't dare to hold long. All right, it could further drop. I don't know. Okay, even though there's a small triangle, until there's a bull label appear, then only I will hold long and then wait for the purple triangle. Okay. All right, that's the reason why. Yeah, so we just do some short-term trade here is enough because the market sentiment is not that good. Market sentiment is too crazy, right? Every day got politic drama. Okay. So it's not about the chart, it's what you see on the chart. You see a gap down and you heard the news, don't enter. Very risky, okay? All right, let's move on. Yeah, the smart candle. Smart candle, we want to see a small candle like this. It's also an entry trigger. You see all this small little green candle? All this small little green candle, right? It's a bright green candle. It's also an entry trigger. It's a bullish signal. You can also entry based on this little candle. Okay, this candle is based on an algorithm where there are strong buyers. It's a stable, and there's a VR ratio embedded into this little candle. Okay, all this small little green candle, I have written a code, an algorithm code into this candle to detect the volume ratio. If the volume ratio is too extended, too strong, the green candle won't appear. Okay, so I program this algorithm into the candle. What I mean by too strong is like pokong. Okay. Okay, pokong. You see pokong, this candle, a very long candle, very long. This is as I mentioned just now, this candle is to grab your attention. It's so long and so big. It's just to capture your attention. Wow, everyone see this pokong is so bullish, the candle like that. But it won't turn green color because my algorithm already detect this candle is overextended. The VR is more than 4 above. So it won't turn green color even though it's a bullish candle. Right? That is the smart algorithm that I program inside. All right, all this candle I can do some algorithm and programming inside to detect what's inside. We need to know what's inside this candle. Okay. So that's the reason why it's too overextended, and then the next day they give you this black candle here. This thing is called a dark cloud cover. In candlestick pattern, this is called dark cloud cover. The price gap up and then start to take profit and push down. Okay, so those morning traders who are FOMO, after they see this candle who are FOMO, they straight jump in here to buy here, will get a bull trap here. Will get trapped on top, and then the prices plunge down like that. Arlene, okay, hold on. Okay, it will just plunge down like that. And then the price will keep on pushing down until here, rocket up here. Okay, now those who bought at the top and doesn't want to stop loss, hesitate to stop loss, there's a hope. People try to trade the stock market with hope. They cannot see the bear label, right? On their chart, they cannot see this. It doesn't appear. And then they hope and hold. They just keep on holding, don't want to stop loss. And this is what happened, all loss. Okay, so as I say, in trading, there's no hope, there's no emotion, there's no luck or what. We just based on what we see on the chart, look at the signals and then trade. We see this kind of strong candle, bearish candlestick, and then there's a bear label appear, we get out. We really won't trade this. We will just avoid this kind of a pattern here. Okay, we really save our trouble to get trapped here, right? That's why the system is smart enough. It gives you all these signals so that you won't get trapped. You won't enter the wrong trade. All right. These are all smart algorithms being programmed into this chart. It can detect all these things. All right. Okay, so for Pokong, there's a rocket here appear. So the price really rebound a bit, but still need more confirmation. And there's a resistance here, right? This is what we can see now. We won't straight away jump in and buy until it's really clear. Then only we'll buy. And this stock is also depend on gold sentiment. If there's no gold sentiment, it won't move up. It will just all the way downtrend like that. See, it will just spike up and then dip down, spike up and then die down like that. Okay, so this is a very sentimental stock. If there's no sentiment, you won't touch it. All right, it's a sentimental stock. Okay, so the green color candle, all this small green color candle, it will appear on the chart if it detects it's bullish. All right, and this is also bear signal, and then the price moved up. Now this is a purple candle. Okay, a purple candle appear like this is to confirm bearish. Okay, drop. The third day still drop. Okay, it's a confirmed bearish. A purple candle appear is a bearish candlestick. It tells you that this is a reversal here, right? It's a pullback or major trend reversal happen. Then it really dropped, right? The price drop. Okay, so now you see another kind of signals, yeah. Okay, just now, who asked me something? And I need to look back. Johari is already trial. Okay, you can ask me in the Telegram. Eileen asked me JFTech. Now JFTech, we can really see a green candle here. Okay, I call JFTech a sleeping beauty. Now yesterday already awoken. Just woke up. Let's look at JFTech. Purple candle, pullback. Okay, green candle. This was yesterday, Friday. Friday, the price sudden spike up. Okay, our Sifu Chai was able to make profit in this candle. All right, because he already entered early here at the support, and then he wait and then enter, right? And also because he was using the ID VWAP day trade system, right? Just to show you what is a ID VWAP. We have a day trade chart. Okay, we just not have a swing trade chart. We have a day trading chart. Buy in the morning, yeah. So he buy in the morning. Just to show you what is ID VWAP. Okay. Now for those who like to do day trading, okay, you might receive some stock tips from your Telegram group, ask you to BTSD, FIFO, day trade, this kind of thing. You must have a good trading system to day trade. It's not easy to do day trading because you'll be looking at a 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frame. So you need to have a chart system that can give you signals on a lower time frame. Okay. Now this is ID VWAP. This chart is looking at we are looking at a 5 minutes time frame. The purpose of this chart is for day trading. It's not swing trading. It's for short-term day trading. Every candle you see on this chart is a 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes, a candle is printed on the chart like this. Okay. What you see here is a EMA 9 and a VWAP. A lot of people don't know what is VWAP. The guru out there never teach you what is VWAP. VWAP is volume weighted average price. Is a moving average indicator used for day trading. Okay, those professional prop traders or desk traders, they use VWAP to trade like this, and they don't tell you, right? A lot of people won't tell you what is VWAP because it's a professional trading secret used by these prop traders. Only they use VWAP to trade. Normal retail traders, they don't know. They don't know what is VWAP. Okay, VWAP was only introduced in M+ VIS-like chart system last year, 2019. Not last year, not last year, in 2019, 2020 or 2019. Okay, when M+, everyone knows M+ online, right? It's a trading platform. The chart system was supplied by ChartNexus. Okay, before that there was no VWAP. VWAP was only introduced in M+ ChartNexus since I think 2019. Okay, only allows you to start to use VWAP. Before that, okay, nobody used VWAP. Okay, I can tell you that. Okay, before that, before 2019, 2018, 2017, for the past years, the VWAP thing doesn't exist in the M plus chart, but this VWAP is already an indicator being used by the prop traders, the banks, all this thing. Okay, now we have the privilege to use VWAP, all right, in trading view, and I can program the algorithm in this VWAP, okay, because the VWAP change colors. Okay, I make the VWAP change colors. If the VWAP is bullish, it's green color. If the VWAP is bearish, it changes to red color. That is the thing that I program into this line. Okay, so it's a different VWAP, yeah. And there's a buy and sell signal. A B is a buy, a S is a sell. So there's a buy and sell signal. So it was this buy signal that entry trigger and then the price move up. And the EMA 9 cross up the VWAP and then it's bullish. This is one example, not this one. The one is QE, JF Tech. Okay. There's a signal in JF Tech like this. Okay. Last Friday, there's a buy signal here, JF Tech. Just above the EMA 200 and bullish, the EMA 9 cross up the VWAP and it's bullish, then you can take profit here. Okay. And this volume indicator is a different volume indicator. This volume indicator will detect buy and sell. If there's buyer, strong buyer, it will show green and then the thing will spike up. If there's selling, it will show red, right? All this area will become red, right? It's a different volume indicator. So it comes with my ID VWAP all together, right? ID signals and ID VWAP volume, okay? And you can see the buy and sell rate, okay? To know if there's stronger buyer or seller and the signals here, right? And the MC Pro and the volume profile combined together to make it a very powerful day trade chart. All right. Sifu Chai bought at 1.26 at the POC area. Okay, this area. This red line here is a POC area. It's a point of control. Okay, the volume profile point of control. When the price is able to close above the POC area, the point of control, it means the bull has won the battle here. The bulls are strong. Then the price will move up. Okay. Fatima. Okay, hold on. Okay, so what I can see here, JF Tech on a daily time frame. Let's look at JF Tech. JF Tech, okay, there's a green candle here. Price pullback, green candle. Okay, it's not overextended. The VR is 1.76, so it still can move up. Yes, that's why I plot the resistance here. TP 1.45 here. Okay, what is the next the resistance for JF Tech is here. This red line 1.45 potentially here because the bear resistance line is here. Okay, we have a one green candle here, but there's no other supporting signal. There's no bull. There's nothing here, right? It could potentially move up here and then it will pull back. Okay, this is the potential here. Okay, if it's bullish, then you will see some bull signal here. All right. Okay, so at the moment it's still on a bear trend. Hurry. This one is more swing now, right? This is to swing up. Okay, to swing up. Okay, later we move on to the chart review. Now we just move on to the signals. Okay. Now let's move on to this next one is Smart Hack. Smart Hack is a Heikin Ashi candlestick. All right. You know there's something called Heikin Ashi in the chart system. Let me share. Okay, this is a blank chart, easy to see. Okay, you see this chart, there are black and white candles here. Okay, you can see the normal color is green and red now. If I put these candles into Heikin Ashi, okay, then you will see one row of red candle and one row of green candle. Then you can see the trend. This one row of green candle up and then one row of red candle down. So you can see a trend. This is called a trend following candlestick pattern. it follows the trend. This is uptrend, this is downtrend, okay? This red or green color. This is called Heikin Ashi candlestick, okay? You can switch from here, candles or Heikin Ashi, okay? This is TradingView, you can switch like that. Or other platform also the same, they have the Heikin Ashi. This is called Heikin Ashi, okay? Now in my trading platform, you don't have to switch. You can see the Heikin Ashi here, the smart hack, right? This one is smart hack. So you can see the smart Heikin Ashi candlestick is green. There's a correct sign here, and you can see here, this is a Heikin Ashi. So the Heikin Ashi here is what color? Green color. Okay, green color. Okay, so you don't need to switch this. Okay. If you want to see the Heikin Ashi symbol, you can turn settings. Input here, show smart hack. Okay, show smart hack. Just click on this one. Then you will see all this dot. There's a blue dot below this candle to show that this is a Heikin Ashi already turned green. That is the meaning of smart hack. Smart Heikin Ashi candle. It will auto plot. Then you can see the information here. All right. This is the meaning of Heikin Ashi candlestick. All right. It's available in this chart. You can turn it on or off like that. Okay. Right. So let's move on. Okay. After the trigger, all this thing, buy and sell signal, then we come to moving average. Okay. The first moving average that I like to share with you is this REMA and RCMA. Also, I coined this name. REMA is a ribbon exponential moving average, and RCMA is ribbon color moving average. So there are two moving average here. One is a line, the other one is a ribbon. The line is a faster signal. Okay, it's a fast signal. The REMA is a fast signal line. It changes colors. Bullish is green. When there's a change, it becomes yellow, and then it's bearish, it becomes red. Then we repeat the cycle again. Okay. The RCMA is a ribbon. Bullish, it becomes like this blue color or green color. You can change the color. You can do the settings. Okay. And it's bearish, it becomes red, a red ribbon. Okay. So the REMA is a fast signal. It changes signal very fast, faster than the ribbon. Okay. So the ribbon is considered a slower signal now. Fast signal is good, it gives you faster signal, but it can also give you false signal. All right. That's the reason why if you have a fast signal, you must have a slower signal. That's where the ribbon comes in. Okay. Once there's a fast signal going to change the trend, then the ribbon will come in. Okay. So there's a fast and there's a slow signal here. Okay. So to use this indicator is very simple. Just look at the line and the ribbon. As long as it's green, you have a support. Okay, this line will actually replace the EMA 5. Some people use EMA 5, okay? And this ribbon replace the EMA 9 or EMA 10. Some people use that one. So we no longer use EMA 5 or EMA 9, this kind of thing. Because EMA 9, the exponential moving average is not as close as this REMA and ribbon. Okay, we no longer use EMA 5, EMA 9, this kind of thing. It's too slow. Right, it's not close enough to the candlestick movement. So this is the new type of moving average, right? More advanced than the EMA, the exponential moving average. So I call it REMA and the ribbon. It change colors, right? Very simple, right? Green is bullish, red is bearish. So you won't want to buy when the REMA or the ribbon is red, because it will become a resistance. It will blocking the price from moving up. It will only go down. Until you wait, it change colors, then only you can enter as a support. So this dynamic line and the ribbon act as a support and resistance also. It's a dynamic support and resistance, okay? So you can use this in the chart. You can turn this thing on. From this smart power indicator, you can turn on the REMA, show the ribbon, and show the REMA line. Tick, all right? So this thing will appear on the chart. So now we can see the REMA and the ribbon. Okay, so you can see if it goes up, it will become green, blue, and then red like that. So sometimes you see the REMA can turn yellow here, turn yellow here. These are false signals because the REMA is too sensitive. Little bit of sideways, then it change yellow. It change yellow, but it's still on a continuous uptrend because this thing is still blue color. The ribbon is still bullish, so you can ignore this type of false signal. All right, that's the reason why you need the ribbon to support the REMA. If not, it will give you a lot of false signals. Okay, that's the reason why they work hand in hand together. The REMA and the ribbon works together. All right, one fast and one slow. Okay. Right, very simple. As a support resistance line, and then we move on. So last time we used EMA 9, we no longer use EMA 9. We no longer use EMA 20. But this kind of EMA is still available in the chart, okay, in the smart power indicator settings. You can move to here. Then you can see the EMA line 1, line 2, line 3, and line 4, these kind of things to show now. Okay. So I only use this one, show EMA 3, which I set to 50, all right, 50 or 60. Now I find 50 is okay, all right. 50 is the quite standard one, universal one. EMA 4, there's the EMA 200. Okay, you can set the line width, all right, you can set the line width and set the width and the color and input. Okay, so it's our default color like this. All right, it's a default color. Okay, so this blue color is the EMA 60, EMA 50, sorry. Okay, you can set the EMA numbers, 50, right? This is the purple line, the EMA 200. So this one will act as a support and resistance also, right? Now on the uptrend, you can see the blue line is above the purple line. This is an uptrend, okay? This is this area here. This is the golden cross, okay? So when the blue line cross up the purple line, 50 cross up the 200 is a golden cross. The price will move up. This is the traditional EMA kind of thing, right? Now if we look at, I need to set this. If you look at here, the blue line, when it crosses down the purple line, is a death cross, bearish cross here, right? Then the blue line becomes dark blue, or this dynamic color. Also, I program inside. I make it like that, so you can see it's crossed down. Yeah. When they cross back up, they change color again. They change to light blue color. Then the price move up. Okay. So the price will move up as long as the EMA 50 and 200 is below the candlestick as a support. I already turned off all the other indicators, okay? No worries, because I turned off the rocket signal here. I turn it off. See, now it's on. All right. I can turn on and turn off the indicators because I'm showing other indicators, yeah, for my presentation purpose. Okay, so as long as the price is above the EMA line as a support, so the price move uptrend. If the purple line, the most important is the purple line, right, or this blue line, it must stay below. It is above, then it's downtrend. Okay, I'll show you what is a downtrend. Air Asia. Air Asia, one look is downtrend. Okay, call. Okay, call. If you use VWAP, you no longer use the REMA or ribbon, this kind of thing. The REMA ribbon is on a daily time frame. If you use the VWAP, all right, you will be using the VWAP and the EMA 9, different indicator altogether, all right? So I will run a different webinar for day trading, BNS, the buy and sell, yeah? Because a lot of you would like to jump into day trading. I can tell you, day trading is not so simple. Okay, day trading is not simple. Scalping, all this, you have to be very fast. You have to make decision very fast. Your buy and sell, your stop loss, take profit very fast. You just cannot indecisive. You cannot decide what to do. You don't day trade. Okay. Day trade is very fast. So it's better you go for a longer term. You go for swing trade, right? You enter position and then you hold for a few days or few weeks. This kind of thing. You look for a longer term kind of thing. All right. Until you are familiarized with the indicators, your technical is very strong. You know the price pattern, you know the volume, all these things, right? You know the sentiment, then only you go day trade, right? Day trade is a very professional thing to do, yeah? Not so simple. You see people trade Forex, it's like, wow, hoo-ha here and there. But I tell you, Forex is not easy, all right? 80% people lose money in the Forex trading. Okay, you just can't jump into day trade like that. And you need to monitor your day trade. You cannot just enter a position and then you go and do something else. Okay, day trading, you need to monitor the candlestick movement every 5 minutes. Every tick, right? Every transaction, you need to see the buy and sell queue, the order flow. How many buyers and how many sellers, the percentage, the buy rate. Yes, you need to monitor 100% monitor. You just cannot, even you go to the washroom also, you have to very fast because anything can happen within the 5 minutes. The price can plunge down within the 5 minutes. That's the reality of day trading. Just like last Friday, Edaran, K-Power, all this, the price move up and then it come back down again. All right, morning move up and then evening come down. It's very difficult. And also 5 minutes trading is a lot of noise. It's very noisy. The chart is very noisy. There's no clear direction. There's no volatility. Right? You ask me today if this really can rally, I also not sure. I need to look at the pattern. I need to find the support, all these things, signals. All right, it's not easy, okay? So don't straight away jump to day trading unless you are very experienced in day trading. Yeah. Look at this Air Asia, right? Air Asia, one look, where is the purple line? Purple line is above, on top here, right? And the trend direction is downtrend. Okay, is downtrend. Okay, so I never look into Air Asia because it's still on a downtrend. One look at the purple line is, you know, it's a long-term downtrend. So this Air Asia cannot invest, all right? Can only do some short-term trade here. Some rocket symbol and then a purple arrow, get out. Enter here, exit here. Enter here, exit here. Okay, can do some short-term trade only here. Rocket and then purple arrow. Rocket, purple arrow. All right, it's a short-term trade. Okay, you follow the rocket to trade. You can enter here and then exit here, enter here, exit here. That's it. It's not a long-term investment, hold long, this kind of thing. It's right. We are still doing a counter trend trade. Okay, this is called counter trend. And what is counter trend trade? Counter trend trade, you all never heard before? Counter trend trade. Okay, the price is moving down, downtrend. Okay, this is called the market structure is downtrend. Okay, if you still want to trade like this, it's called counter trend trade. You are countering the trend because the trend direction is moving down. Lower highs, lower lows. When the price action is forming lower highs and lower lows, it's on a downtrend. Okay, you want to do counter trend trade, you buy at the dip here and sell at the resistance here. So you buy here and then you sell here. All right, before the price continue to plunge down again. This is just a short-term counter trend trade. Still can make profit, just like Air Asia. So just now we see rocket here. Then we see purple triangle here. We do this counter trend trade. See rocket here, purple triangle here, buy, sell like that. Counter trend trade. Okay, done. All right, exactly what happened here in Air Asia. Here, rocket you buy, purple triangle sell. Rocket you buy, turtle triangle, purple triangle sell. Counter trend trade. All right, there's no holding long term because overall this market structure is a downtrend. You are trading with the market that is on a downtrend. Okay, this is downtrend. All right, like just now Pekka is on a uptrend. Okay, so if you buy uptrend, you can safely ride up the trend. This is riding up the trend following. Is a long-term investment. For long-term investment, you look to buy on an uptrend, all right? But this one, if you enter here, rocket, then you can take profit here. See, rocket, purple triangle. This is a very profitable long-term investment. All right, so my chart not only works for swing trading. If you are a long-term investor, also can work. Right, as a long-term investor, you will look to enter here and then to sell here. This is for long-term investor. It works like this. It's a long-term trend. It's holding for how many months or years. You can hold this until you ride up the trend until the end of the trend. Okay, so we say follow the trend. The trend is your friend. Follow it till the end. This is your friend. You follow the trend until it ends. This is the end of the trend. Okay, this could potentially the end of the trend, but see a rocket here again. Potentially a rebound here, still on an uptrend, still going up. Okay, so the BMS chart, it works for day trade, swing trade, or even long-term investing. Yeah. Okay. So just now we look at 50 and 200. This one, dynamic EMA. Okay, now we look at after the signals, you look at indicators. This is called SMI. Yeah. Sean, yeah. Rocket, then bull confirmation, then purple triangle. Okay, correct. Yeah. Okay, I didn't explain the bull bear signal. Okay. Okay, this is the before this. This is the complete smart power signals that all turn on, right? All this bull candle, bear candle, REMA, RCMA, all this turn on. All this are turn on, all right? All these are tick on. Only the Hikinashi I didn't turn on, all right? Only turn off. You can see here from this panel, okay? So you can see the rocket. You can see the small green triangle. You can see the bull. This is now the Pekka. Okay, this one, rocket. And then green candle, green triangle, also a signal, yeah? And it up, pull back. And then the long-term trend starts here. Now the rocket could be an early signal. This is a very early signal. Okay, the rocket can give us a very early signal to entry, yeah, even before a bull signal appear here. Okay, so this is a potential entry here, rocket, and then there's a bull label here, enter, and then the price continue to move up. Okay, move up on a long-term uptrend, right? Along the way, there's no other signals here. It just right up the trend. There are many green candles here. It shows you that the trend is continuing up. Okay, until there's a purple arrow appear here. Then there's a bear signal here. Okay, so this is still pending a bull signal. Okay, it could be a rebound or it could be drop further. All right, you need more confirmation here. Munawa, okay, all these indicator can apply in the US market. Yes, of course. Okay, no matter what you're trading, it can be applied. Okay, we can look at Apple. Okay, this is Apple. Right, Apple now is still on a bullish uptrend. You see a sign here is trying to break out. It's still on an all-time high. All right, all this US technology stock is very strong on the uptrend. Okay, it's very strong on the uptrend. Okay, you want to look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin now is going down. Right, it's on a downtrend. Okay, Bitcoin is on a downtrend because it's trading below the 200 days moving average here. And there's the 50 crossing down the 200 days is on a bearish downtrend. Okay. Okay, Hong Kong also got. Okay, so it's on a downtrend. Yeah, this is the up of the Bitcoin. This is the down of the Bitcoin. Okay, any market also you can see is international one. Okay, later the Hong Kong Alibaba, that one I never trade before. Yeah, later. So let's look at other indicators to complete everything. So the SMI is this is a 2-in-1 indicator. The SMI swing momentum and the volume ratio. 2-in-1 indicator in this thing here, this indicator. Okay. So how to enable this is we go to the chart, indicators, swing momentum SMI Pro. Then this thing come up. This is the SMI indicator, right? So it's a very simple indicator just to look at the moving average, swing up and swing low. Okay, these two lines is basically like your MACD moving average. The MACD, the MACD line and the signal line is something like that, right? But it's faster than the MACD. Okay, so there are some dots here. The green dot is up, the purple dot is down. All right. So we want to look at this area. Last time I also put rocket here now, but now I put a star here. Okay, this icon I can change. This is a bullish divergence. Okay, oversold area. This area is an overbought. The painted red area is overbought. Yeah, overbought. So overbought, the price comes down to the low side. Okay, so we're going to look for if there's a bullish entry trigger. If the SMI is below this area, that is good, right? It's at the oversold position. Then there's a high chance that the swing will swing back up. So it's a swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Right? This is what we call an oscillator. Right? Oscillator is you have the swing highs and the swing lows. We always want to look to enter when the oscillator is at the swing lows. Okay, this is a good position to enter. It's a low risk position. Then we wait for it to swing high. This is how we look at these lines. It's like a rubber band, right? If you stretch the price too high, it will snap back down like a rubber band. Okay, and it repeats the cycle. Right? We call it a rubber band trade or a cycle momentum indicator. Cycle. There's a cycle going on here, right? And you can see a bullish or bearish divergence. Yeah, like this one. Here you see the price move up. See here you see the price move, the swing move down. There's a red line here. This is a bearish divergence. Bearish divergence means the price moving up, but the indicator is moving down. So we trust that the indicator is moving down, and then the price, what happened? It moves down. Okay, so this is called bearish divergence. Even before the price moves down, the indicator already tell you what will happen in the future. Okay, it doesn't mean the price move up here, then it will continue to move up. No, because of bearish divergence, the price in the future will move down. Actually, this thing tells you the future. Bearish divergence tells you the future of the price direction. All right, how it can tell you the future? Because it's detected bearish, a low momentum, a drop in momentum, a drop in buying interest. If there's a drop in momentum and buying interest, it's able to detect the next movement, the price will continue to drop. All right, there's a bearish momentum. We measure momentum. The price move up and down, there's a momentum. Okay, so this is how it gets to measure the future here. All right, the signal here, bearish divergence. And the other thing is just the swing high, swing low, and VR. Okay, this part. What you can see, all these green and red bars is basically the volume ratio, just to plot the volume. Okay, this pink color line here is the VR level 3. Okay, if the bar is above the level 3, shoot above this area is overextended. This one. If this green volume shoot over the pink line here, the level 3, then it's overextended. Okay, the VR bars shoot up, it's overextended. So now it's red, the VR is red, 0.32 is very low volume, low selling volume here. In this area, low volume, okay? There's a VR reading here. So this VR we use for BTSD or even swing up also can. We want to know whether the candle is overextended or not, if it's too strong or not. Okay, so this one you can see the volume here is not over the level 3 pink line, so it's 2.24. It's still okay. That's a correct here. So this price has a high chance to continue its uptrend momentum. It's as simple as that. Okay, so the green candle VR 1 to 3 is good to BTSD or fee. For BTSD means you buy today and sell tomorrow. There are people like that. They buy today and then the candle up tomorrow they sell. Okay, this is called BTSD. BTSD is short term. Maybe you are trading a stock that is not strong in fundamental. It's based on sentiment, based on some rumors. Then you do some short term trade. Then it's good for BTSD. All right, you don't want to you enter fast and then tomorrow market open you already sold off. Okay, BTSD, and this is fee for short term trade. So anything above 4 is overextended, all right, the VR reading. Yeah, you read the VR value, the volume ratio value. If the candle is red color and the volume ratio is very high, 4 and above, that means it's bearish, a lot of selling pressure. Okay, very high selling. If the candle is red and the VR is below 1, all right, it could be 1 or 0 point something, then it's a low selling pressure. It's just a mild pullback or mild profit taking. It's nothing to worry, okay? That's how you read the VR, the volume ratio. That's the purpose of this indicator and the reading here, all right? Okay, simple, huh? Okay, we move on. This MC Pro is just to measure the momentum, whether the price is in compression or in firing up. Okay, so this is I explain more on this if you are a member in the training. I just go through quickly because there are other things to cover. So the MC Pro is if in compression, it will show you blue dot, blue or purple dot. Okay, if the price is firing up, then it will show you some light blue bars. And if the price is pulled back, then it will show you some dark blue bars. And it's downtrend, it will show you red color. That is simple as that. Okay. This is where you see the price moving sideways, and then there's a compression and then down shooting down here. The red bars here. When the price are firing up, then the price here, right? The price start to fire up, then the momentum indicator will show that the bars are firing up. When the price is going for a pullback, then the momentum indicator will also show some dark blue color, right? Then you don't enter. You don't enter a trade when it's going for a pullback, when you see dark blue color or red color, you don't enter, right? You only want to enter a trade when you see the light blue color firing up, shooting up. This to tell the momentum is going up, the energy release. This is an indicator to tell you when to enter and when to exit. Okay, this is where you want to enter. This is where you want to exit. All right. This is the indicator. Very simple, right? Whether the energy is firing up or pull back. That's it. Or go downtrend altogether. If you see the indicator all red like that, don't enter because it's on a downtrend. The price is going on a down bearish red. Okay. You only want to enter when you see light pink color. This tells you the low selling pressure. The selling pressure already depleted drop. Then the price will start to move up. Okay. This is what it tells, all right? So we can enable this indicator just to add in here. This is MCDX, this one, okay? Now this indicator, sometimes I don't use, it's optional, okay? I use it in the ID VWAP. This indicator, MC Pro, I use this indicator in the ID VWAP for day trading. In day trading, I find it more effective, okay? This MC Pro momentum compressor, it works much better on a lower time frame for day trading. You can see the firing up here. It follows the price very closely. And this is the MACD indicator, the MACD line. Okay, the MACD cross up and cross down. Okay, so it's also a 2-in-1 indicator. It comes with the MACD line the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, and the MC Pro. This is to measure momentum. Okay, so I put it here, and the volume profile in day trading, for day trading, combine this 1, 2, 3, 4 indicators like this. Okay, I find it more effective than using it for swing trade. Okay, so this is something optional. I can turn it off. Okay, next we move on to this is also on MC Pro. Now, when the price is going sideways or accumulation, you will see the dot like that. This is called high compression zone. There's no fire up or no fire down. It's just like that. Purple and blue color dots. Right? This is to tell you that the price is going on a sideways consolidation, in a tight consolidation. Very tight one. There's no place for the candles to move around on a straight line. All right. If you see this, you won't want to enter, right? Just wait. This is for people who wants to do accumulation, right? We won't enter this kind of trade. There's no clear uptrend or downtrend, this kind of thing. Okay. Now, next indicator is the MCDX. Okay, MCDX. I know a lot of people know about MCDX. Is to detect banker, right? If you are a trader, you already some of you may heard of this indicator called the MCDX. Okay. Now, I also have the very first version of the MCDX. It's called the Smart MCDX. This is the Smart MCDX. Okay, this is the very first version of the Smart MCDX. Right, a lot of people have this version of MCDX. It's only show you the green, yellow, and red part of the volume, the banker. Okay, now this MCDX is not accurate. Okay, because if the price continue on the uptrend, the MCDX will show all red 100%. It's all 100%. Okay, it doesn't tell you where is the pullback. There always some place where it pull back. It will drop a bit. The 100% will drop. Okay. Compared to the new MCDX. Okay, this is the MCDX Pro, the new one. Okay, it doesn't tell you all the way 100%. It will drop. Okay, it will show some pink color bars. The pink color bars tell you that this area is a pullback. That's a drop. Okay. The very first version of MCDX doesn't tell you the pink color bar. They all stay 100%. All right. So this one, it tells you the pink color there's a pullback. The pullback is good because you know if you want to enter this trade, you know there's a pullback, and then you wait for a rebound, then only you enter. All right. Or if you already enter, you see a pullback or you see pink bar, then you want to exit. You want to take profit. All right. The pullback like this. You see pink bar, then maybe you want to take profit. You want to exit this trade first because you don't know whether it will further drop or not. Right? Give you an early signal here. Okay. So this is the new type of MCDX with the pink color bars. Yeah. So the MCDX is to detect the bankers. Okay. If we see red color bars is we detect bankers. Okay, we know that price can only push up when there's banker, right? The banker are not really banker, people will have financial funds, all right? Funds will pump into the stock, then the price can push up. So basically, the MCDX is to detect the volume and the price, right? If there's volume and price increase, then the red bar will increase, correct? So it measures by how many percentage from 0 to 100%. So the banker is just a term, right? It's just a layman term for this indicator to detect the volume and price. Okay, basically the banker is just an increase in volume and price. That's it. That's why you call it banker, right? Right. It doesn't mean that it detect who's the banker, is the EPF or what bank, or it doesn't mean that, right? The indicator is not to detect who is buying, right? It's just a few lines of code to detect the price and volume only. That's it. Okay. So for easy understanding, we just use the term banker. All right. So banker view position from 25, 50, 75 to 100. Okay, so we want to see the banker strong from 50% and above. All right, 75% banker takes control, 100% banker strong, and price will rocket up. This is how we read the indicator. Okay, so we will also show you rocket. When the banker or red bar is at 25%, it will show 1 rocket. 50% it shows 2 rockets. 75 it shows 3 rockets. At 100% it will show 4 rockets. Okay, I use rocket to symbolize the percentage. Okay, it's easy for you to see. Once you see rocket, oh, banker in. All right, it's easy as that. When the banker pull back, it will turn a pink color, and then the yellow line and the pink color, that means it's pullback. Then you can see how many percent is pullbacks, right? It will also show you some handy info will show here. Okay, when there's no banker, it will show green color. Green color is the retailer. Okay, retailer is just to mean that there's no buying interest, there's no volume and no price increase. Then it will show all green bars. Okay. Okay, green bars, yeah. And if there are some retailers and the banker is not strong, some pink bankers, it may show you just a white thing like that, a gray color thing like that. Okay, this gray color or white, or last time we used yellow color, is called hot money. Hot money is when the price is moving sideways. If you want to trade this kind of thing, it's only FIFO, fast in, fast out, BTST. All right, for day trade is okay. Don't go and hold because the price will just go sideways like that. Yeah, it's not going uptrend or what. Okay, there's no strength. Only when there's a red banker, it will go uptrend. So we look at some examples here. Okay, this stock is on an uptrend. So we see a lot of red bars, banker. Okay, the red bars are all 100%. Right, 100% here. Of course, there was some pullback, then will show pink bars, but you cannot see green. There's no green here. There's no green bar appear. That means it's very strong. Okay. Now, if there's green, it's not good. All right. Price downtrend. You see a lot of green color bars. You see a lot of green. Green is not nice. These are all retailers. It's pushing down the price. Okay. Green means a lot selling here. Selling, pushing. When green appear and there's no red banker, then the price will go downtrend. So with this MCDX is also very easy to see indicator. Just one look at it, then you know whether the price can up or not, or it's go down, right? Just by looking at the green color and the red color, you will know. Okay, one look you know, or this one got banker or not, no banker, got banker. Very easy to see, all right? So this one, no banker at all. Pink is not strong. Pink are not strong one. Okay, there's no red color here, no red color. Only green and a white thing. All this white, all this hot money. Okay, so what happened? The price goes sideways. Okay, one look at this pattern, you know the price will move sideways. So don't enter. It will stuck inside one. Okay, such an easy to see indicator. Yeah, just look at colors. Call, I don't have any website because all these indicators are designed by me. Only I can provide you the indicators. There's no screener, stock screener that can screen with this kind of indicators. Right now, I can screen the stock with this indicator with TradingView, provided that I set an alert. Okay, you know that in TradingView you can set alert based on what indicator settings, right? That can be done. Okay, so far there's no screener or scanner or what that can use my indicator to screen the stock market. So far, not yet. Okay, if there were a screener, maybe I have to make one. All right, you have to write a very tedious program code to do this, to scan through the Bursa, to detect all this thing. Yeah, it's not easy. Right? It's not easy to write a scanner like that. Okay, some people they need a server. Okay, they have a server, and right, they put the scanner into the server, and then they read the Busa data, and then they scan through everything, and then they report this scanner into your Telegram, straight away into your Telegram. It requires a server to set up a server, all right? And it's not cheap to set up a server like that. Okay, need to use some Python programming and put the code into the server to do all this to send a webhook to Telegram, all this thing, right? It's not easy. It's an investment, yeah. Okay, the last one will be the volume profile, right? Volume profile is just to see the POC area. Okay, these are volume according to different price level. When the price move up, the volume will drop. Then we will see thin profile, and also same with when the price drop to the bottom, it will create some thin profile. The volume will drop. The volume will be concentrated on the POC area, high traded area on this POC area and this price level. Okay, so the POC area is the point of control. Point of control is where the bull and bears are trying to take control of this area, this level, this price level. If the price close above the POC area, that means bullish. Then this line is a support. If the price close below the POC, then it's bearish. This POC line becomes a resistance. Okay, it's as simple as that. Right? It's trying to determine who will take control this important area. Okay, so to enable the POC I find that to use in the day trading chart is much better. Okay, this one. This is the POC area. This is the thin profile here. Okay, it's to determine where's the highest volume of this trading. All right, the volume according to the price level. All right, this is how you use the volume profile. Yeah. Okay. That's starting on the mute. Okay, just now I was explaining to Wing Kui, all right? Just now I was explaining to Wing Kui, if you are a member, all right, I'm running all this webinar every Saturday, right? I repeat all this training webinar every Saturday. Okay, so in the future, I'm going to do YouTube videos, all right, on each of these indicators. I will do one YouTube video and post it. Then you can watch the YouTube video to learn how to use the indicator. I will go into detail to explain each and every part of these indicators, what to look for, when is the entry, and when is the exit. Then it's more easy, right? For members also easy. Just you forgot this part, then you watch the YouTube video, then you can see the indicator and then I explain that. Okay. So in the future, all my webinars will become a chart review for members. All right, members in the Telegram already subscribe. I will only do chart review and some technical course. All right, like learning candlestick pattern, learning support resistance, learning the moving average, this kind of thing, and learn how to set up your day trade chart, your M+ charting system, trading system, how to see a day trading pattern, this kind of thing. Then it's better. Then members is able to learn new things every Saturday. All right, I will conduct a free learning session every Saturday. Then we do case study for everyone. So members will get to review their chart, case study. Then they'll learn faster like that. Okay, so for how to use chart BMS, go and watch YouTube. Okay, watch YouTube. Then you repeat and learn from there. Yeah? At the moment, I run webinar and post the PDF file. Okay, Sean is a member. All right, so those who not yet join member, Encourage to join member, quickly join member, quickly use the indicators and trade. Okay. We no longer use the traditional M plus chart to trade. That one really lose money one. There's no signal, cannot see anything. Buy blindly one. Now we have a signal, we can trade properly, all right? Profitable, yeah? We win a lot of trades in the stock market. Fatima, how to join member? Later you WhatsApp me or Telegram. Okay, I need your contact. Okay, if I don't have your contact number, then how to contact, right? I will give you my contact number later. Okay, let's move on. Now, this is what I programmed into the chart with all this information. You can see signals report here. This is a tick. It's like a checklist. If the signal is good, it will give you a check, correct. If the signal is not good, then it give you a cross. Okay, so you can see correct, how many correct here. Okay, the more is better lah. So you can see rocket signal, bull bear signal, the smart color signal, Heikki Nashi, all these are here. You can see from this handy info. Okay, the REMA RCMA line, okay, the EMA line also can see one. Everything can see. Volume traded, volume ratio, VR swing 1.83 also can see. If the stock oversold, oversold 9.72 is good, because if oversold, then people will start to buy. Then there's a high chance it will rebound. This is the thing. A new indicator here. RSI level, oversold or overbought. It's read here, right? This one. This reading is from 0 to 100. If the reading is low, 0, 1, or 10 like that, that means very low. The price will move up. If the reading is 80 above or 100, then the price will move down. That's the maximum already. This is basically the RSI reading, RSI, Relative Strength Index. I put it here. Okay, so we can know, this, whether the price overbought or oversold. Very easy. One know, this one oversold, then you can buy. If overbought, then don't buy. Okay. And you can see if the stock is small cap, mid cap, or large cap, and pivot, support, and resistance. Yeah, some information that I put here. Okay. Samples. Yeah. This one is rocket down. It's okay. But other is okay. The bull trend, candles, everything is okay, right? You have more positive points than the negative point. Then this thing have a high chance to move up, and then you buy. You have a high chance to make profit because the reading tells you everything is good, positive. Okay. Now this one you can ignore this. This is just to show you the support and resistance. That one is green and red, right? You can ignore this part. From here to here, right? All this correct. Okay. If the stock got rocket fire, but the other is not so good, other is cross, then this could be a potential downtrend stock going for a rebound. Then you can see all this. You are catching a bottom catch, right? You buy at the bottom of a downtrend stock, so it's a bottom catch. Maybe you can show like this, all right? So it's very handy, right? Where a chart system can give you this kind of readings. Okay, it's from here. This thing, this box here, yeah? Very nice here. Got color, got symbol, yeah? Very easy, yeah? You are new to trading, also one look, you know what is this? It's a checklist. Before you buy a stock, there's a checklist, checklist. This thing is adjustable. You can move the position. Okay, you can move the position. Okay, you can move to the right, or you can move to the left. You can move up, you can move down. It's adjustable. Okay, position is adjustable. Okay, and you can change color. Okay, can change color. Everything can change color. All right, can change position, can change color. So you can play around with this thing, with the settings here. The settings here, you can change color. Okay, all the lines, everything, you can change the colors. Yeah, so you can change it. Okay, you can play around with this thing. It's a handy info. All right. Okay, this is ID VWAP. ID VWAP is for day trading only, right? It's a 5 minutes time frame, yeah, 5 minutes. Okay, so this one I will run another webinar just to explain on day trading. Yeah, day trading, we need to use ID VWAP and to set up the M plus trading system. Okay, don't simply jump into day trading if you don't have a complete system. All right, day trading, we need to look at volume, we look at buy signal, look at the VWAP, and look at the buy and sell rate. We need all this information to help us in day trading. All right, and also the M plus trading system. How to set up the M plus trading system? Yeah. Yes, you can take this as a guide. The B and S label as a buy and sell signal. Okay. And also the VWAP. Yeah. If the VWAP is green, then you can stay on with the trade. If it turns gray, then you need to exit. Okay, let's look at one example. Yeah. Let's say K power. This is a 5 minutes chart ID VWAP of K power. Okay. So the price move here, EMA 9 and VWAP is still okay, positive. The cloud is below. So the cloud as a support. And there's a sell signal here, at S here, right? This is at the evening time. Friday around 2:45. This is 2:45, just after lunchtime. The EMA 9 start to cross down the VWAP. See the VWAP turns red. From green, it turns into red, right? It signifies a selling pressure. The momentum has dropped. The EMA 9 blue line cross down, it signifies there's a bearish cross, it's bearish. So the price goes down. Okay. And here it's got one rocket and then it goes up again. So it could potentially means next week, this momentum will continue to break out and move up again. All right. And also bearish divergence. This one, Sifu Chai remind me. Okay, you look at the volume. The volume is a bit special because it has a bearish divergence. From this top here, all right, until here, we can see two red triangle pointing downwards. Hold on, Cole asked me how to change the time at trading view. Trading view, this is the time. This one, can you see the time zone? You click here, then you can see all the time setting, the time zone. All right, there's only Singapore. There's no Malaysia, Singapore. So click Singapore, right? This is how we change the time. Oh, you mean time frame? Time frame is it time frame? This is the time. Time frame is here. This is the candlestick time frame, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, or 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. This is the time frame. All right, don't confuse. This is the candlestick time frame. What kind of time frame you want to look at? All right. This is the time zone. Okay. This is time zone. This is time frame. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, so you can take this as a sell signal to exit and a rocket as a buy signal, right? The rocket is an early buy signal. You see, the rocket signal will appear even before the buy label, the B. All right, this is the rocket appear, and then the B label confirm rocket position, then price rally up. Okay, as easy as that. Okay, again, how to use this indicator? Rocket, and then buy signal. Okay, and then the price starts to rally up. As simple as that. Okay, at first we see a rocket here, rocket. Okay, then there's a B, a buy label here, right? Then the price continue to shoot up, break out. The price break out from the cloud, break out from the purple line, EMA 9 and VWAP cross up. Then the price continue to move up. Okay, until it reaches this sell signal here. Right, that's how powerful is the signal. Okay, there's double signal here. There's a rocket and then a buy label here to confirm this is a strong buy area. Then the price rally up. All right, this will make your day trading easy. Once you have this confirmation signal, right? You trade with confirmation signal. It will make your life easier. You make profit like this in day trading, 5 minutes time frame. Right? You know when to buy and when to sell. All right, very easy. Now, why the price drop? Because of bearish divergence. The volume starts to drop. You see here, very high volume. The volume starts to drop and then two triangle here. It shows there's a volume bearish divergence. It means the volume is dropped and then the price up and then it will start to drop. Okay. And then there's no buyer or seller. When there's no buyer or seller, the bar will become red color. Okay. This is how you use this volume indicator to identify buyer and seller. It's a different type of volume indicator. All right. There's a bearish divergence here. Very as simple as that. All these indicators are made to help you to trade. FAQ, frequently asked question. So if you do not have TradingView Pro, you don't have a live data. What happened? Right? What can you do? Okay, you know that TradingView Pro. Okay, only TradingView Pro can install 5 indicators and have live data, real-time data. Okay, you can use the free account, free basic. Okay, you can go to tradingview.com, open a free account. It's a basic account, and you can install 3 indicators. My BMS 3 indicators you can install inside. You can use. All right, but the data is 15 minutes delay. It's not live. All right, you look at the candle. The price is 15 minutes delay. So you cannot do day trading using a 15 minutes delay time frame. Okay, you can use, what you can do is you become a member and then you use the chart library, right? There are links, real-time links. You can click on it and then you can view a lifetime chart, a real-time live chart there. That's the support that I can give you, even if you're on a basic account. Okay, that's what I can give you, right? If the link is not available in the chart library, you can always request, I want to see server dynamic. Can you create a live link? Then I create there and then I put it there and then you can click on the link and then see a live chart. That's what you can do. At the moment, not all counters because I need time to build all these links. Yeah. Okay. Become member, the losses enough to compensate the member fee. Not sure, Ming Kui, what is this losses enough to compensate member fee? I'm not sure what you asking. Sorry. Okay, it's just that the membership fee. I mean, okay, membership fee is, I can say, is very low, very affordable. Okay, it's like paying your Maxis postpaid. Yeah, it's enough. Okay, now the subscription fee is like paying your Maxis postpaid, your Astro. Anyone here got Astro? Got Maxis? Do you have TM Streamix or what time broadband? You got Astro, broadband, Netflix. It's like that. It's just a monthly subscription fee. It's as cheap as that. Okay. If you trade stock, you know that when you buy and sell a stock, you have to pay broker fee. You have to pay stamp duty. You have to pay tax. All right. All these are account into your trading. The broker fee, stamp duty, tax is more than the membership fee. Every day you trade like that. Okay. So my membership fee is very reasonable, as I can say. Okay, you can use all the indicators. You can have live chart. You can have my webinar. I do chart review. If you cannot see the chart, you can ask me. Then I post the chart into Telegram, and then I do comment analysis for you. Okay, this is all the support that I can give with a very minimum fee as a service fee, a monthly service fee. That's it. All right, I'm not making anything here. Yeah, you can ask the member here. Okay. Lin Kui, you want to know? You can ask Chai, Lawrence, YC, who are already members here. Okay, they already joined members, they are using the system, right? They can tell you how it works. Okay, you can ask the members here, right? You're not sure, right? Don't just listen to me, right? There are members here. There are already members here using the system, right? Don't just listen to me. You can listen to the members, yeah. Okay, they already know the system, they're using it. Okay, so it's just a subscription fee, like you subscribe for Maxis or Astro, like that. You subscribe, you subscribe Astro. You subscribe Astro because you want to watch TV, watch drama. All right, you subscribe Maxis, you want to make phone call, okay. So you subscribe to BMS member, you want to trade stock to make money. Okay, that's simple as that. You subscribe to BMS to make money. That's it, right? Not to watch drama or make calls. Okay, as simple as that, right? So if you don't have TradingView Pro, you can use basic free account. It's free one. Just go and TradingView and then open a free account. That's it. Okay. So you subscribe to my PMS is to help you to make money. All right. You pay a small fee to make money. Yeah. If you are new to trading, okay, you can always receive training. I can use training, chart analysis support. Okay. The Telegram, you can request for view chart. Okay, there are members in the Telegram still like to ask me for view chart. So I have to post the chart and then give some comment like that to help them analyze the chart. There is a view chart support. Okay, it's a live on demand. During the trading day, you can Telegram and then you request me for any chart, then I post to you. Right, that's the support I can give you. Members get free training and trading course. Now I run trading course free for members. All right, technical analysis course. I run free. So every Saturday we'll run training. Okay. And you can try the indicators first. The Telegram group and the indicators, you can try first for 5 trading days. Next week, Monday to Friday, you can try 1 whole week. All right. In this, during this 5 days of trading, you already see the result. You already know the potential stock, when to buy and when to exit. You already can make profit in just 5 trading days using the BMS indicators or the ID view up for day trading. You already can make profit like that. Okay, so this 5 days of trial is not just a trial. Basically, you can make profit out of it using the chart, the indicators. All right. Okay, and you can see how we trade, how the members trade. Okay, in this 5 days training, testing. So test to use first before you subscribe. Also, okay. All right. At least you try first. You understand the system first. All right, how it works. Okay, so the Telegram group is Power Traders Group. Okay, Klsesg SG, Klsesg Stock Group, Power Traders. Yeah, we post everything here. Webinar also here. Okay, the chart library, as I mentioned, is a real-time live chart links that I'm going to post there. You can search chart from there. Okay, there's a distraction-free viewing. Potential stock will be posted there. It's a free viewing. You can view. No discussion. There is a channel. All right, there's no discussion in this area. It's for viewing only. All right. And when you trade stock, use Telegram desktop and use your desktop notebook or PC. All right, don't use your phone. It's very dangerous to use the mobile phone for day trading. Okay, a lot of information are missing in your phone. All right, don't use your mobile phone to day trade. Very risky. All right, a lot of information is missing in your mobile phone. So use a desktop version to trade the stock market. All right. So 5 days trial. Who wants to try first? Become a visitor in our Telegram group and try to use the indicators in your TradingView. All right. If you don't have TradingView, quickly go and open a TradingView free account. It's free. Just open, and then I can send you the indicators straight away. You can use, and you can view the charts. Right. You can analyze yourself the charts, all right, your portfolio, everything, see where's the buy and sell signal, the rocket and the purple triangle. You can see for yourself from there, all right, whether your portfolio is okay or not okay, you can see right away from there. All right, so thank you, Lawrence, for recommending the visitors here to join the Power Traders and use the indicators. And Sifu Chai, yeah, Sifu Chai is very fast in day trading, scalping, FIFO, this, yeah. All right, you want to know how he do it, you have to ask him. He has a secret. Okay, I'm also not fast enough in scalping. Yeah, I usually do swing trading. I slow one. Yeah, I need to have more confirmation before I enter trade. That's my style, my pattern. I'm a slower trader. Okay, I always low risk one. I need more confirmation, then only I buy one. If there's no signal, no confirm, I don't buy one. All right. If you ask me a stock running in the halfway, I don't know. You ask me whether can go up or go down, I really don't know. I need to see confirmation. All right. You give me some signal, confirm, then only I can tell you. All right. Just to tell, I really cannot predict the future. No one can predict the future. All right. So I also trade based on this system, this algorithm, the signals, everything, right? I make profit in the stock market also based on this system, okay? I'm also a trader, right? If there's something wrong with the algo, the signal, I will change it, okay? I'll keep on improving it because I can program the signals, okay? I can program the chart system, everything, yeah? Can be changed. YC, okay, yeah, waiting seafood chai, seafood chai got a lot of stock tips on, yeah? Iqbal, okay, Munawa. That's why Munawa, I mentioned already there's no screener. I don't have a scanner. Okay, how I screen for stock is I use M plus. I use M plus the price sorting and the Vislight. There's a Vislight in M plus you can use to scan for stock. Okay. If you don't know, you join my member, I'll tell you how to use M plus. All right. A lot of people don't know there's a stock scanner screener in M plus. M plus. Okay, open M plus online, then I teach you how to use the screener. You can screen for stock there using that thing. M plus Vislight. Okay, you can scan for any technical criteria, MACD, RSI from there. Then you can check from there. Okay. Therefore, okay, your M plus to be ready. Yeah. So I already recommend many members to use the M plus. Okay. So you use Rakuten, all this cannot. Tak boleh. Rakuten cannot trade on. Problem one. Okay, M plus and yeah. Some people also use like iSaham, Stock Hunter to scan for stock. Also can. All right. You can scan, take from those scanner. All right, and then you use the BMS indicator to check, to double check whether there's signal or not. Okay, that's how I do it also. All right, use the Stock Hunter, iSaham also can. KLSC Screener, investing.com, i3 Investor Mobile, all this also can use as a screener. All right, don't limit to just a few screener. All right, you can use anything. Just that after you pick the stock, you select the stock, make sure you check the fundamentals, okay, and then you check with the BMS chart. All right. Okay, I have come to the end of the webinar. Take down my contact, Telegram, and WhatsApp for trial. All right, try to use the indicator first and visit our Telegram group to see how we trade the markets. Yeah. Okay, Wing Kui. Yeah. So those who just now asked me a lot of questions, okay, try to use the system. Right now we have some time. I can do some chart review. Just now, who asked me some chart? Okay, I can do some review. JFTech already reviewed. There's a green candle here. Janet. Hashtag. Hashtag is yeah, got signal. Yeah, this is related to industrial supply, something like those are steel, all right. So what you can see in Hashtag, the volume is quite low, medium. Hashtag. Okay, there's a rocket symbol. Then rocket symbol confirm position supported by this green little triangle up and then a green candle. Okay, and price push up. Okay, resistance is here. So price is 96 cents. You can see resistance is 1 ringgit. So there's a 4-5 bit here. You can move up to take profit. Okay, and overall is on a downtrend. Downtrend, this could be a bottom catch. All right, a bottom reversal can happen here. All right, but just beware of this resistance. Yeah, okay, you want to TP here. That's what I can tell you. Yeah, Klsesg, seafood chai already know. Still want to review, man? You seafood chai already expert in this. Klsesg got rocket. Okay, and then you need to turn off the I need to okay. Klsesg got rocket, okay? It's an early signal. Okay. Resistance is here, right? 0.34 cent is a resistance. That's why it's moved very slow. Yeah, there's a resistance here. It must break this one and then can move to next resistance. But there's still no confirmation yet. The rocket is here. We still need some bull signal here to confirm this entry. Okay. So at the moment, Klsesg could be just on a sideways. Yeah, not strong enough. Lim BL, Nova MSC. Nova MSC, this one is quite weak already. Yeah. Yeah, what you can see in Nova MSC is there's a purple triangle here. Okay. And there's a bear label here, bear signal. Okay. Two bearish signal appear on top here. All right. And once this bear signal appear, straight away the price, boom, pull back. Okay. It's confirmed one. Okay. So you use my BMS indicator, you can see purple arrow, bear, sure confirm the price will drop one, confirm one, no need to wait or see one, right? No need to wait and see one, confirm it will drop one. Okay, it's a very strong bearish signal you can see here, all right? Itronic is a downtrend reversal, going to reverse, technology stock, Industronic. Okay, Itronic, as you can see, the whole market structure is on a downtrend, right? From here to here is downtrend, okay? Downtrend, yeah? You are trading a downtrend stock. So maybe you want to do a bottom catch, okay, good. See rocket here, see double arrow here, and then the price shoot up, okay? But it's not very strong because it's on a downtrend. It just try to break out the EMA 200, the purple line, the resistance, right? It's not strong enough, and then it's pull back again, right? Okay. You see how the price move rocket, then it rebound a bit. It's just a technical rebound. Purple triangle sure go down and confirm, go down, pull back. So this is a false breakout. This is another way to avoid false breakout. You know, the technical analysis guru teach you try to avoid false breakout. How to avoid false breakout? This is how we avoid false breakout, avoid bull trap. Okay, because the price drop. Okay, there's a bull signal here. There's a purple triangle here. This is fighting in between here. Okay, the bull and the bear fighting in between here to take control of this EMA breakout here. But it failed to break out and then drop. Okay, maybe it can attempt a second time. All right, wait for another signal to attempt a second round. All right, wait for a second round. This round cannot. Wait for second round. Okay, that's how we look at the indicator like this. Steel market. Steel market is also very dramatic one. Yeah, steel market, one day up, one day down like that. Okay, steel market. Okay, what you see here, purple arrow comes down to rocket. Okay, and then rocket, now the price shoot up. Bull signal, all right. There's a bull signal here. Confirm position, price move up. But the price didn't shoot up. It's moved on a sideways, yeah. Okay, this is the resistance. This thing is a resistance. It's flat here. Price can move on a sideways like this. Okay, it's just some small little wave here. It's not strong. Okay, at least it tells you that this is the support area. This is the resistance area. You can clearly see where is the support and where's the resistance. Okay, this is the support. Now the blue line here, the blue line, the green line is the support. This is the resistance. So it moves in a range, yeah, range trading. It's not uptrend, it's not downtrend, it's just sideways range. Okay, that's how we use this indicator to see so many things, so much, so many information we can see. Yeah. Harbor, okay, Harbor, we can see bull signal here, the bull label, and then support here, all right? And then we can see a green candle here. This is a bull candle, all right? Bull trend, bull candle up, correct, good. This is a high chance that Harbor will able to move up higher, okay? So Harbor is good, right? Technically, the chart setup is good and is on an uptrend, okay? The chart is on an uptrend, okay? It's an uptrend stock, okay? The high is moving up higher, okay? Higher highs and higher lows. So it's on an uptrend. It's a good stock, okay? Kobe. Kobe is very strong because it breaks out, right? This is interesting, okay? You can see a purple triangle here, okay? Now Kobe, all right, you see purple triangle, the price pull back, okay? The purple triangle appear and then the price pull back, okay? Pull back and it hit the support of this bull line, the green line here, the bull, and then it rebound, okay? Rebound and then it break out the red ribbon and break out this red line. It breaks out, right? Last Friday it breaks out, okay? And VR swing is 2.9, okay. RSI level 46, still okay, still got strength to move up. So it can confirm breakout, then this purple arrow will move up. Okay, this purple arrow will move up. It will create a new high, it break out a new high. We call this ATH, all-time high. It's a new breakout, it's a new challenge. All right, so it's dynamic, it can always break out higher. Jetson, Jetson is still not strong, loss making, but it has a signal, right? The signal is the purple triangle. Pull back to this area. You see rocket, okay? So the rocket now is to see the price rebound, okay? Once you see rocket, the price rebound, but resistance here, it needs to break out this resistance area. All right, there's still no second confirmation. You need to wait for bull signal or a triangle arrow to confirm that this is a strong support, right? If not, it will just move sideways. It will hesitate to move, okay? Because there's a big dump here. The price push up here and then big throw. It's not a good sign, okay? People are just mark up and exiting the market. It's not that good. Yeah, bull signal, yeah. Some bull signal, right? Whether it's strong enough or not, yeah. So these signals actually give you a high probability to win the trade, okay? Now, the best, how this signal work best is on an uptrend, all right? If the stock is on a clear uptrend, the signal will be very, very accurate, okay? I repeat again, the signals are the rocket, the bull signal, whatever, the green triangle, will be very accurate, very, very accurate if the stock is moving on an uptrend, very clear uptrend. Then you can detect the thing very clear. If the stock is moving on a sideways or it's a pump and dump thing, then it's not so accurate. All right, pump and dump is like one day go up and then second day dump down. This kind of stock is manipulated by syndicate. Then it's not so good. Okay, this is just, yeah, not all signals. The signal is just based on algorithm, right? Based on moving average, based on volume, based on the buying selling pattern. Yeah, right. If someone try to play the stock, manipulate the stock with pump and dump, then really hard now, right? Okay, Valesto is always a penny stock. Okay, now if you join my Telegram group, all right, I will never recommend to look into this kind of super penny stock, right? 10 cents, below 10 cents kind of thing, right? I have a list of dangerous stock that don't touch, all right? This kind of penny stock, you look at the candlestick, the candlestick is not properly formed, all right? It has a lot of upper and lower shadow wicks. It's like play piano like that. Once you look at this kind of a pattern, it's no way to trade, okay? You get stuck for a long time. It moved very little. All right, it half a bit, very little. So it's very hard to make profit if you get stuck in this kind of stock, Valesto, this kind of thing, right? 0.15 cents, this kind of penny stock. Okay, you want to make profit, go into something like JF Tech, VS Industry, yeah, all these Maybach, okay, Edaran, all this can make profit one. Okay, don't get yourself stuck into this penny stock. Okay. Rafi, NWP, NWP. Again, all these are little penny stock. You can see this stock is 20 cents. Okay, weak stock and on a downtrend. How you clearly see a downtrend here is by this line. Lower highs. Okay, all this resistance becomes lower. Okay, one look you can see is on a downtrend. Okay, there's a rocket here, bull signal here. Okay, good signal up. Right, maybe you can do a short-term trade. TP 0.23 cents. Now it's 0.215. TP 0.23. That's it. All right, just a few bit done. Short-term trade, counter trend trade. Overall, it's still on a downtrend. All right. Okay, even though it's a lot of positive sign here, all right, you can make a short-term. Yeah. All right, this is what I can advise for you. The purple triangle will comes out by itself. All right, it's automatic. Everything is automatic. It's dynamic. All these signals come out by itself. All right, whatever it detect on the chart, signals will come up by itself. Right, these are smart signals. Only the purple and the rocket move when the position is not confirmed. They will change position. All right, the rest are static. Other indicators, they are fixed position. Okay, again, other indicators, they are fixed position. Only the rocket and the purple arrow, it will move. If the position is not confirmed, it can move. But if the position is confirmed, it will not move. It will stay there. All right, like this, it will stay there. All right, once the rocket stay there, it won't move. That position is very strong. Okay, it's a strong bullish rebound position. Okay, that's how you use the rocket and the purple triangle. It's dynamic. Jonin, Sam Cam. I know you all are already trading the stock market, right? You're trading the stock market and you may have difficulty in identifying with your chart. All right, so you need signals to trade. Sam Cam, all right, Sam Cam is all right. We see purple arrow start from this side, price push down to here, and then rocket. Okay, now we see one rocket here. Okay, position is not confirmed yet, so you wait for another signal, a green triangle or a bull signal. A bull label will come out. Why? Because there's still a bear signal here. There's still a resistance here. Okay, even if the price rebound here, it could be short term. 1 or 2 candle rebound, then it will drop back, will pull back. Okay, because overall it's still not much strength here. Right? It's at the support of the 200 EMA, this area. Right, it's testing the support of the 200 days EMA. All right, this could be a potential support area, very nice. SamCam should good enough because it's a strong fundamental stock. All right, so you have a chance to enter here as an early bird and wait for it to rebound. Yeah, SamCam is okay. Fundamentally is strong, right? So stocks that are fundamentally strong is okay. Yeah, you're not goring the stock. If you goring, then don't don't goring goring you drop. Dufu, all these are strong. Okay, technology stock. Dufu is trying to pull back, right? Pull back to here and then rebound. Okay, pull back, rebound because of support here. The bull, you see, this bull signal here is still giving support here. This green line. Then the price still moving up. Okay, still okay. All right, just wait for it to break this level of resistance. This is the resistance. The resistance is at 4.78. This is the resistance, right? Whether it break up or not, you have to monitor, right? If you reach this level, this is a potential selling pressure or breakout, who knows, all right? You have to monitor this area because it's already at the high here, all right? Right, a few more, then we have to close. Next limb, PR Klsesg. Okay, this is they pay bonus. All right. This is the bonus issue. The price gap down. Okay, they readjust the price. It's not selling. So gap down is because of bonus issue. PR Klsesg, they issue the bonus. So investor, they get more shares. Okay, and then they need to adjust the price. So it's a bonus issue, and then the price starts here. Okay, here you can see rocket price increase. It's a rebound, technical bottom rebound here. So there's potential to move up. Resistance is here. Okay, this is your TP line, 645, 0.645. Right, you want to trade Klsesg, this is your TP area before it pull back. Your first TP here. Okay, the bull signal or other indicator will come out slowly, slower. Yeah, you need to calculate more confirmation, then it will appear. Then it appear, then good. All right. Like this K power, not K power, SCIB. This is nice. Rocket, green arrow, and then bull signal. SCIB very strong, right? It can potentially move up higher. This thing can move up higher. This direction. This is what we are anticipating because already got bull label confirmed. This rocket already confirmed support this position. SCIB very strong support area here. All right, the price 1, 2, 3 move up. Okay, that's how we trade. Yeah, all right, using these signals. Yeah. All right, so watch out, monitor SCIB, Sarawak Consolidated, right? Because got rocket, got triangle, got bull label, bull signal. 1, 2, 3 up and up some more. All right. We want to see it break out from this downtrend, right? It just on a downtrend, we're going to see a reversal here. Already got strong signal here. All right, that's how we want to trade this stock, right, on the bottom. Yeah. That day we also trade CMSP, Chaya Mata Sarawak. Okay, because got a rocket signal and green triangle. This one we already enter here and then take profit here. Okay, and re-enter again if it goes up again. All right, because this confirms strong support. That day we also trade euro, right? Got a rocket, and then triangle, strong support, enter. All right, but resistance is here, so it could potentially sideways a bit before it moves up. Yeah, because there's a resistance here. Okay, euro just I think it's short term because on a downtrend, you see, on a downtrend like that. Because the quarter result was not that good, then investor they keep dumping down. Yeah, banker is now. You see the chart, there's no banker, right? MCDX green color, no banker, all right? But I still enter because I know this is for short-term trade. FIFO, all right? I enter here and then I sell here. I still make profit here like that. Okay, because the blue line moving up. This blue line, when you see it moving up, it's a FIFO. It's a buying momentum. All right, a buying momentum for FIFO. Because when the blue line shoot up to here, that is where you want to take profit. All right, blue line shoot up, it turns yellow, you take profit. Yellow turns blue, enter, and then exit for FIFO, fast in, fast out. Even there's no banker. All right, this is the power of this MCDX. Even there's no red banker, you still can trade. You don't have to wait for the banker. If there's banker, it's better lah, right? It's strong lah. If there's no banker, we still can trade for fast in, fast out. For day trade also okay, can. All right, see the blue line. All right, that's the purpose of this blue and yellow line here. To help us to trade even there's no banker. All right, that's how you use this MCDX. It's a very different MCDX. You won't find this outside one. Only my MCDX got this line one. P4 line, I call it. All right. Okay, so I come to the end. Yeah, so members, you want to continue, can in the Telegram, same lah. Members know what to do. Only those visitors, those who are new here, okay, you can go for trial, right? Okay, take down my contact and try to use the indicator first. All right. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. So have a good night. Thank you for joining the webinar. And see you next week. Okay, those who want to try, please PM me, all right? PM or WhatsApp me to let me know you want to try. I need your trading view ID. I need your Telegram.